Alright, this is the first test. I don't even know if anything's working yet. Why do I look green? That's weird. I feel like I shouldn't be green. Oh, you're here. You're not there. I want to look there. You're here this time. Hi! This is the first time I'm I've been recording regular videos too much because I want to look directly there. That is where you guys normally are, but this time you're here because I'm streaming. I feel so out of place streaming again for the first time in a long time. I gotta look over here. I gotta move some stuff. Is it gonna be better for me if I'm not even sure. I haven't done this in a long time. But we're gonna be recreating Lixian's game that he made a while ago. I know it's not necessarily. God, I'm gonna be looking there so much. It's not necessarily new anymore that he did this one about a year ago. But if you guys remember Late Night Mop, we're going to be remaking that because I thought it was a great, fun game. He made it in Unreal, and I figured I've got a lot of experience in Unreal. Let's see what we can do differently. So let me find it because I set up the project last night just to get things ready. Oh, my hair is a mess. No. I need a haircut. Whatever. Doesn't matter. All right. Where is it? Oh god, there it is. Lixian Game Remake. Later Night Mop is what I'm naming it for now until I come up with a more clever name. Alright. Delete those. That's not necessary. Okay. Getting the project launched. I think part of the problem last time... I can bump up the music a little bit. I think part of the problem from last time when I tried to stream... when was that? Tuesday. Was... that, oh wait, that shouldn't be there, should it? No, it shouldn't. Sorry, distractions. Hold on. There we go. I thought I got rid of that. That's also probably going to be there in the regular one. Alright, let's go to... Oh, I don't have this set up yet. Do I? Alright, we're going to do a little tweaking, because I don't think I set this one up fully. I didn't. Huh. Yeah, we won't use this one for now. We'll use this one for now. Which means I need to change the way the webcam is. I'm getting used to this. Don't mind me. We need to get rid of that and that, because that's not how I want this set up. I need as little space taken up as possible. So it's probably better that... Whoops. Probably better that I take this and put you here. How's that look? Is that alright? I think that's alright. If you guys want me to change that, change my positioning, then let me know. But I think that's good for now. Got my top of the morning coffee, of course. Have to have it. Delicious. Okay. Oh, it says folder now. I'm using 5.2, whatever, however you want to say it. So I don't know, it already crashed on me once just by opening a map, so I'm not sure what's going to happen there. What I think I'm going to start with, I know most people probably want me to start with level design, but I'm going to start with the interaction system because I want to do it a little bit differently than he did. He used, well actually let me set this up with a few folders. He used a interface, and I don't like using interfaces. Maybe I'm stupid for that. Maybe it's a really smart idea to use an interface, but I don't like it. This will be our player. We are going to have one type of trash and one type... Well, I should probably do BB interactable and then just do children of that interactable class. So that way I can have, you know, one for like a paper trash, and or like we'll have like pickup trash and then moppable trash. Basically, that's the way I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it in reverse. That's how you have to think about game dev most of the time, is thinking about it in reverse. So, oh, also, that's better. Oh, I am off. Okay, I thought it was off. Hold on. Still adjusting everything. That's right, right? Whoa, what just... Oh my god. I'm not off. Oh. Oh, now I'm off. I just made it worse. Don't mind me fixing things. Come on. Good enough. I don't know why I'm so paranoid about things like that. I want it to be perfect, and it can't be perfect. That's not how these things work. Okay, whatever. Let's... So, if I do this, I should be using an interface, and I never do. I always should, and I never do. Let's do... I gotta go back to his video, see what he had involved. Hold on. Pull it up over here. Whoa. Lixian. Late night mop. I made a haunted house cleaning simulator. Okay. Let me... Oh, it's muted.
Keeping my eye on this engine for a couple of years now. Okay. As you probably know, since the popularity of Fortnite and the boatload of cash they were making with it, they've opened their own digital game store and started giving...
So, yeah, Mortuary Assistant.
But when I decided to make Unreal Engine, the only animation I needed to start...
So, he has pieces of trash. Okay, so those are the other interactions. Doors, trash cans, and... I mean, just the mop. So, like, picking things up. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. Okay, I remember now. So we're gonna make a different type of interaction system. I'm gonna use one of my own assets for this. And that's the other thing, is I own a lot of assets. Why am I so green? I need to fix that. That's annoying me. Hold on. Filters. Please, edit filters. Or wait, is it not filters? It's gotta be filters. Hue shift. That's better. Kind of. It's a little better. I'm more red now. Is that a good thing? Should I be red? I'm not sure. Okay. So yeah, I have a lot of assets to work with. In Lixian's video, he said, he explained how he had a lot of assets kind of built up that he'd been collecting, which is accurate. He had been collecting them because Epic releases 5 free ones each month, but I have a lot of assets that I've paid for over the years. I have a massive collection, so I'm gonna use some like my own that I've made. So what was it? Physics pickup. Physics carry, that's what it is. I'm going to use this. Okay, install failed. We need to wait because it needs to load all of them. Why, hello there. How you doing? We're remaking Lixian's game today. Not his newest one. His newest one is the Iron Lung. What was it called? Now I've forgotten. Let me look. It was... Oh, of course it doesn't.
Iron
Title. What was it called? Sinking Iron. That's what it was called. Okay. Yeah. Sinking Iron. It's a really cool game. But... What happened to the cat? We gotta add a cat, I think. Because he didn't add a cat to, his... What's it called? To the mop one. God, late night mop. I gotta come up with a more clever name than that. Alright. Is that gonna add now? No, I'm still waiting. Okay, we're just gonna wait and hang out, I guess. Coffee time. So I'll let you guys in on a little secret. As I'm working on my next video, which this, spoiler alert, is probably going to be my next video. I'm technically working on like 3 videos at the same time right now. But this will most likely, because of how quickly I think I can get it done, will most likely be my next video. At the same time, I'm also setting up channel membership stuff, which I have 2 full videos that were previously scrapped videos, but are now going to be member-only videos, so that's cool. I don't have a join button yet because I'm still setting everything up and getting ready, but yeah, I'm just getting ready. Hi there, how you doing? But yeah, I'm getting everything set up and ready to go, and as I do that, I'm trying to get behind-the-scenes footage and stuff like that. Bean! Yes, Bean! We're not working on Bean Game today, but Being Game is the best game. I'm so glad I did that. That was an awesome video. I wish I was monetized before that, so that kind of sucks that I wasn't, but yeah, I gotta figure out how to push that video harder without running an ad campaign, because that's way too expensive. Anyways, I'm all over the place. My brain does not run in a straight line. My brain is all over the place always. I guess we can work on other stuff while I wait for this to get ready. I don't know why I'm just sitting here talking. Let's go back to this. There we go. All right, let's get my player set up. Why is it opening over here? No, open here. I hate the new input system. So we're gonna use regular player input. I haven't got, I'm sure I'll get used to it eventually, but for now, I absolutely hate it. So axis 1, 2, right? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's what it is. And then, did Lixian's game have jumping? I don't think so. Maybe we can add jumping. We'll come back to that. Move forward. Move right. Look up. And turn. Those are always the 4 that you do. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. W, S, D, A. Look up is mouse Y. Turn is mouse X. Mouse Y is inverted, A is inverted, S is inverted. And then move forward with the controller. And move right with the controller, look up, turn. Okay, that should be correct. Now, we need to add a spring arm and a camera. Spring arm at 0. With control rotation and camera rotation lag of 20, 25, somewhere around there. It doesn't really matter. Spring arm up to, I don't know, what is it normally? 64? Sure. Works for me. We'll probably make this bean a little skinnier than normal, but that's fine. All right, move forward. Move right, turn, and look up. Okay, add movement input. I've done this so many times now that this is like, just, I do it in my sleep. Get forward, actor forward vector, and then get actor right vector. Have kids, gotta go, no worries, thanks for stopping by. Go take care of your kids, it's much more important than this. Alright, there we go. And then these, I might want to tweak this for, I'm gonna have to tweak that for like sprinting later, but that's fine. Add yaw, and then add pitch. That took a long time to figure out. Add pitch. Really? Hello? That's add pitch. I got those mixed up all the time for a long time. Okay. Let's see if I did everything right first try. Oh, wait. Last thing is this. Right. No. Where is it? It's always somewhere at the bottom. I hate that they do that because it should be up higher, easier to find. All right, fine. Player 0. There. Okay, I know you're supposed to use a game mode or whatever. I don't really care. All right. Yep. Oh, hello, sphere in the sky. Okay, so everything works normally with the controller. Perfect. Okay, sweet. That's easy. That's the easy part. Now, the harder part comes when you have to add interactions and things like that. Coffee. I look like I'm in the void. I just realized that. I'm just sitting in the void. This is great. All right. That's what I wanted to do. In project settings for actions. So if I go to inputs, action mapping, do interact. which will be left click and the trigger, and probably E. Well, no, we'll leave it like that for now. Okay. On interact, we're going to do a sphere trace. Sure, sphere trace by channel. I should probably make this a function. Yeah, why not? Let's make it a function. Camera trace. I like to do that usually. So sphere trace by channel, and it's a camera trace because we're firing out from the camera. So we're gonna take yes, camera location, get a world location, and then get forward vector, and then we're going to add this plus this times our distance. So let's add a float. I'm doing all this kind of snappy because I've done this all before, and I probably should have done this before I started streaming, but whatever. This is all the setup. All right, distance, which by default will be, I don't know, 300. Seems to be a pretty common distance. Okay, there we go. And the radius is the other one, which by default I like to have 5. You don't have to do that. Usually you can just do a line trace, but I like to have that little extra bit because that's the type of thing that like Resident Evil games do in terms of interaction. It's just something nice to have. Return. We're going to return both of these, out hit and the return value. There we go. I guess we should also probably have the debug. Oh, wrong thing. My bad. Not that one. This one. Yeah, debug. Okay. Cool. Now instead of that, we can just do camera trace. And then we'll trace out 300. Let's debug that just to see. Yeah. Let's do a test. Okay. That's a pretty far interaction. Maybe not far enough. Well, we'll tweak it as we go, but I think that's good for now. Have a slight distance, not too far, not too little. I think we're good there. Okay. If the stream's lagging when I do that, please let me know, because my computer is freaking out when I do that, but it's okay. For now, we should be fine. Okay. There we go. Why did that not compile? Hello? Thank you. That was weird. All right. Oh, I didn't put my phone in Do Not Disturb. My bad. Give me a second. Do not disturb. Thank you. There we go. Okay. Also, I know it's June 1st. This probably wasn't the best day to do a stream like this. Oh, you're short. Oh, you're really short. That's a problem. I'm not talking to you guys. Just want to make that clear. We'll see. We'll see how that fits in. So here's what I'm going to do, and this could be a huge problem. We're going to go into atmospheric house. You know, let's not push my computer to its limits. Let's go to the farmhouse. That's probably better. All right. Demo map or demo abandoned? Demo abandoned, sure, because this is supposed to be a spoopy game. This is going to be scary, so. All right. Let's give this a second. And next time we do a stream, it will most likely, which I'm planning on doing another stream tomorrow. We'll see what happens. If this stream works out, then we'll do another stream tomorrow. Oh, VSync is not on. Editor VSync. Oh, that's so much better. Okay, good. Whoa, hello? Mouse, why are you like this sometimes? Okay. Where's the player character? Hello? Player? That's not lagging at all. Good. Okay. Player. Is there a player in here? That's weird. I didn't finish my previous thought. I just realized that. if we do a stream tomorrow, it's either going to be this or we're going to do Outlast Trials, because I was going to do that Tuesday, but then I didn't. Mopping time! Yeah, I haven't gotten to the mopping yet. I am just starting the project, but we will get to the mopping very soon, because that is a very important interaction to have in a game about mopping. Okay. So, oh yeah, I got rid of the debug trace. Okay. What was my plan here? I forgot what my plan was. I was gonna do something in this level, but apparently not now. Okay. Let's find the mop. I think I'm gonna use the same exact mop Lixian used. Ads, what? Oh, okay. This is just a demo map. This is not, I didn't build this. I want to make that very clear. I didn't do this yet. This is just a demo map. We're going to build our own. These are just the assets we're going to be using, or these are some of the assets we'll be using. It's also going to be ray traced. So there's the difference already, and it's not going to be a direct recreation. Hey there, how's it going, Silent Gamer? What's going on? We're not making a direct recreation. We're going to create a kind of, I don't want to say parody of it, because it's not a parody. It is kind of a copy, but different environment, a little bit of different gameplay. I'm essentially just going to take what Lixian did and combine it with my experience and knowledge of Unreal and try to do the systems that he did, but in a more efficient, maybe, I don't want to say better, because I'm not going to try to make it better than what he did. But a different experience, slightly different experience. Where's the mop? I want to steal his mop. Is that the mop he used? Is that the exact one? It is! Let's go! We're stealing the exact mop. You know what I'm going to do? I think I'm going to change the color. Can I easily? Is it going to let me? Oh, really? Well, hold on. So he talked about this in his video, where some textures, you can't just change colors of stuff. But what I can do, and what I will do in this case, is steal this texture. I mean, elegantly extract this from the game. Put it on my desktop, sure. There we go. And I'm going to go hop into Photoshop real quick. Hold on. Just in case there's any secret stuff. Let me hop into the void real quick. So let me pop this thing into Photoshop. And we're going to change the color of the mop. You do not simply steal a man's mop. Well, I'm not stealing. I'm borrowing it. I'm borrowing his mop. I'm just gently grabbing it from. Who do you play as in Late Night Mop? That's a good question. Who do you play as? Because I don't think you're ever given a name. Maybe we should give him a name in this version. My brain just goes to Steve because that's just, you know, it's easy. All right, let me open this. Sorry, it's taking a minute. Carlos. Okay, Carlos the Mop Man. I can't even say his name correctly. All right, let's open with Photoshop. Oh my God! It wants me to open it with the beta, so we can do some what's it called? Some AI generation. Where's the other Photoshop version? What? All right, fine. I guess we're opening it with the Photoshop beta, because it won't let me open it normally. All right. I'll give it a second. Coffee time, guys. Very important. Is it really game dev here at Planet Vano if I don't have my top of the morning coffee? Okay. Switch back. Brain function. There we go. Okay. How do I do this? I'm not a pro at Photoshop. So I guess we could just I could do a color select fill, right? Color range. This. Fuzziness. There we go. Oh, that's like perfect. Sweet. Okay. And we will then do what? Oh, what object selection tool? I don't think I've ever. Hello? What? What did it just? Oh, it doesn't let you. Oh, okay. Well, I guess we'll just do this instead then. Man, I sure am a Photoshop pro, aren't I? Whoops. Wrong button. All right, there we go. That works. Okay, and now from that, do a color balance. Hue and saturation, probably. That's probably the better one. All right. What color mop do we want? Blue mop? Red. We could make upgrades to the mop where you get a different colored mop. What is that part? Wait a second. Hold on. What is that? What is that part of the mop? Oh, the top. Okay, so we have that too that we can change the color of. So it's blue and yellow right now. Let me look up fun mop colors. What in the world am I looking at? What is this nightmare fuel? It takes me to Amazon. Okay. RGB mop, yeah, exactly. Okay. That's okay, let's RGB. You know what I should I will. Wait, that's actually I know exactly what to do. I'm stupid for not thinking of this first. Let's make it desaturated and bright. That's too bright. That's good. Right there. Sure. So now we can change that color. What colorize? What's the difference? There's no difference. Okay, whatever. We can change this color dynamically in Unreal if we do it like this. So I'm going to do the same thing. Is it going to let me... I mean, I guess I could do it as two separate textures, but that's not going to work. Because then I'd have to actually edit. A secret mop that's also acts as a gun where you just shoot the stains. I mean, maybe we'll add that. Do I leave the bottom part blue? Mop gun, yeah. Mop gun Maverick. There we go. That's the new movie. Whoa, what is... Oh. Whoops. Okay. If I just make that part, like, gray, I guess. Wait, am I gonna be able to do this? Yo, what's up, Ghost Eric Sanders? How you doing? I should not attempt to say names. That's such a bad idea. I've always been terrible at that. Alright, another hue and saturation. Let's... Oh, wait. These don't need to be like that. I could make this like a generic color. Generic color, I go to blood red. That's smart. I could also just make it gray, but I don't really want to make it gray. I can make it darker. Maybe that's the way to go. I'll just do that. That's smart. Maybe like that. That's better. Okay. Cool. I'll export this. And we'll use this so I can dynamic... We will have an RGB color changing mop in-game. Hold on. Let me swap back just to make sure. Alright. Where... God, I need a haircut so bad. Don't mind me. My brain's all over the place. I don't stop talking. It's a slight problem, but don't mind it. It's fine. Alright. Back to desktop. Where is it? Where is it? Bean game. Yeah, this is not bean game this time. This is mop game. We're switching focus, guys. We're moving over to mop territory here. Where did it go? Okay, I guess it's just there. Okay, maybe later. Thanks. No, don't show. What are you? Photoshop. This is the Photoshop beta. I don't know why it forced me to open this, but it did. It's fine. Where do you play the bean game? Let me link it real quick. I'll link the Itch.io one because everybody seems to like Itch.io more than Game Jolt for some reason. I'm not entirely sure why. Here you go. Okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah, Bean Game. The one complaint that people have had with Bean Game is the bean blends in really well with the environment. So that's one problem that I've had, and I've thought about updating it and changing it. I think I'm gonna leave it. Just because the zooming is part of what helps with that, and also the power-ups. Like, the first time it's supposed to be kind of difficult. The second time, if you get power-ups, it's supposed to be a little easier. But if it continues to be an issue, then I'll probably change that. Okay, where am I? Here we go. Oh, I need to switch back. I forgot. You're just looking at my beautiful face in the void. All right, let's throw this in here, replace it. Sweet. Okay, now we're gonna have grayscale bean mop. Yeah, we'll have coffee beans around that you can mop up or something like that. Okay, so now that's white and gray. So if I look at the mop, okay, this is how the mop looks now, which is very bland and boring, but that's fine because we're gonna mess with this in the actual mop. Oh, why is it? Oh, I hate when they do this. Oh, that's so annoying. Cause that's the parent. Okay, well we can work with that. Let's excuse me. Bean monster. Yeah, so adding a outline to the bean was an issue because it looks weird. That's it. There is a bean fire trail in the extras settings that you get by default, so that helps a lot. And it doesn't look like garbage. Because I tried adding an outline. I didn't put it in the video, but I tried adding an outline, and it just didn't look very good. So I didn't want to do that. But if it comes down to it, I will do that, or I'll make him glow or something. He is emissive in comparison to the rest of the environment, so that's something. But all right, where's this? Take me to not this. All right, let's just make a new material. Screw it. Can we actually? I should have in here. That's blueprints. All right, fine. Models. Mop. Okay. Could add you can activate him by eating beans. Yeah, if you eat the beans, the bean monster comes to hunt you down. All right. Why can't I just go to this model? All right, fine. Take me to here. Show me references. I forget where to go for this. I never use this. Reference viewer. There it is. Okay. Mop. Take me to browse to asset. Thank you. There we go. This. And now move you. I haven't done this in a while. There it is. Mop. Move. Okay. Cool. And we're going to change this so that doesn't matter. Okay. Now in mop, we're going to create a new material for mop. Where is my brain is not functioning. Okay, m_mop. Beautiful. Okay. In here, we're going to use our new mop texture, which of course I put it in the same place. All right, show me this. Okay, mop. Take you, put you in mop as well. Okay, there we go. Now take these three, put them in the new mop material. This is going to be our base color. Let me just... Oh, I can't just do that. God. Ah, that's frustrating. Okay, it's fine. I hate when I import asset packs that have models like that, because then you have to just redo it like this, and it's annoying. Okay, and what's this one? PBR. What do you plug PBR into? I've never done that. Looks so difficult. It's not super difficult. It's just kind of annoying sometimes. This part's the easy part, unfortunately. We've already set up a basic interaction. My idea with this whole project was to try to take what Lixian did, because Lixian this was his first Unreal Engine game. So I was like, screw it. Let's see if my experience will make that process faster. See if I can do this game a little bit easier, which I think I can. But things like this make it a little frustrating. Where is... okay, this. In here, where does PBR go? The PBR texture. This... Oh, it's split into RGB. Oh my god. Okay, we'll just copy this then, I guess. That works. Like that. Alright, fine. I will literally just copy all of this. And put this into here. That works. Oh, okay. You took him to school. Okay. Well, that works. Whatever works. Welcome back. Alright. Here. Now I'm gonna do this side by side. Let me give me a second here to focus. Put you there. Metallic comes from the R of the PBR texture, apparently. I didn't know that. I've never been a material guy. That sounds... I'm... Vanessa. I am a material girl. Okay. This goes to roughness. And then the lerp goes to the emissive color. Okay. And then this is the normal. Okay, that's all of it. Good. Now we just got to change out the textures. Okay, sorry, I had to focus there for a second. Yeah, I've never been much for materials. I hate materials. It's so annoying. Because there's so much that you can do, but it's not at all straightforward. There are a lot of things, in my opinion, in Unreal that are pretty straightforward. Like Lixian talked about in his video, audio control, extremely straightforward in Unreal. There are a lot of things that are absolutely not. Okay, and boom. Okay, now our mop is set up the same way as it was before. Make the mop violet. So what we're going to do, and what I might end up doing, is just adding a color picker that you can use in-game to choose what color you want your mop to be. We'll see. For now, I think we should just make it rainbow, just to test it. Hey, Pride Month. All right, time node, I believe. And then multiply it, maybe, by... Oh, wait, how do you do this? Oh, I don't remember. Coffee to feed my brain real quick. Okay, I mean, we could interpolate between a bunch of different colors, but I don't want to do it like that. How to make a material alternate between colors. Sure. I just go to UE4 immediately. That's my immediate search. Oh, it might have to be done through Blueprint instead. I mean, this is the type of blueprint. Maybe. Yeah. So I'm gonna use decals just like rainbow puddles. Yeah, I'm gonna use decals just like Lixian did. Here's what I'll do. This is something a lot of people don't do, and I just learned about this recently, which is what is it called? Material parameter collection. And I'm gonna add one in here, which is a scalar parameter. No, is it a vector? I guess it would be a vector. Is it a vector 3? Okay, yeah, it'd be a vector. So this is going to be the color. We'll just mop color. Mop space color. Okay. Now we're going to access that material parameter. How do you access it? Oh, I haven't done this. Okay, there we go. Collection. And this is going to be NPC mop color. Bam. Now we're going to multiply this. And we're going to access it like that. Multiply this by the mop color. Why is that not? Oh, it's a float 4. Okay, mask component RGB. We don't need the alpha. There we go. Okay, cool. Now it's black by default, which we're going to make it white by default because that's what it is normally. There we go. Puddle of rainbow puddles. I mean, so here's, I love, yes, it is ray traced. It's already ray traced actually. Here's what I love. My favorite thing is New Game Plus. I absolutely love adding extras and stuff like that. So maybe one of the extra game modes will be rainbow mopping, where we have to mop up all the rainbow puddles or something like that. I don't know. This game is going to be mostly based on your guys' input because, I mean, the game already exists. So I'm remaking it, and we're making it for fun. So I'll take your guys' suggestions and turn that into this game. All right. That's good. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to slap the mop into the player just like Lixian did. Mop. That's not how this works. Adding a static mesh. This static mesh is the mop. Perfect. Okay. So, how am I going to animate it? That's the biggest question because and the game mode there's a rainbow monster. So that's going to be one of the hardest things for me is creating a monster because I mean, I could just rip the monster from his game and I might just do that because I don't have any 3D modeling skills. Just like Fisher. But rainbow bean monster. You guys sure do love it. I'm going to put here's the thing. Right now, there's a store page on my channel. Okay, and I have some merch, but I think the first custom merch that we'll make, like, that's like super relevant to the channel, other than the Thankmas one, will be something related to Bean. So you guys tell me something you'd like to see on a shirt or a mug, and I'll make that design and I'll put it up on the merch store. Okay, let's just in the temporary. Oh, why is the pivot gotta be off? That's annoying. Whatever, I'll make it work. I do have a plugin that can fix that, but all right, for now, let's test this, because we're going to change this name to Mop Bean with Gun. Bean Gun. It's a gun that shoots beans. It's amazing. Okay, let's do a timeline. This is going to be Mop Color. And in here, it's going to be, oh, this looks different now. Autoplay and loop, there we go. Length of 1 second, and it's going to be a float track that's going to, rename, really? Okay, whatever. Doesn't matter. We're going to have 2 keys. They're both going to be auto. This is going to be at 0, 0. This is going to be at 1, 1. There we go. This is our alpha track, and we're going to take this, and as this updates, we're going to take the mop. Oh wait, we're not going to take the mop. We're going to take the set color parameter from, okay, good. This is from collection. So this is mop collection. Parameter name is mop color, and we are going to lerp, yes, lerp linear color. Perfect. Between 2 colors, like that, as it updates. Okay. The guy from Dar, man, I am not. I don't actually know who you're talking about. Like, I know the Darman channel, but I don't know who you're talking about. Make my own monster. I'm indecisive. I might just snatch it and tweak it because I'm not a 3D modeler, but we'll see. We'll see if my 3D skills are at all competent enough to even attempt that. Okay, we'll start with, like, I don't know, that blue and go to, like, sure, I don't know. This is just for testing to see if this is even remotely what I want. This should technically flip-flop, shouldn't it? Because it's gonna, let's see. Is it working at all? It's not working at all. Why not? What? The pain begins. Why is that not updating? This might be smarter to do differently then, if it's not going to update like that. Why is that? Really? That, I feel like that's dumb. Okay. Why? I mean, okay, whatever. Fine, screw it. I had an idea and it's not going to work like that, so we'll do this instead. We'll do a 3-vector parameter color, and then we'll just use this instead. Same exact thing, but this will force it to be a dynamic material, and then we can get rid of the extra thing. Of course, I was like, oh, I'm going to be smart about this and use a thing that most people don't use, and now I realize why most people don't use it. It's because it sucks. All right. Oh my god, I've got an eyelash that is like poking me constantly, so don't mind that. Ignore that. It's fine. Everything's fine. Material gun to apply materials. Yeah, let's make my life harder and make more complex stuff. Okay, let's, how is this done? On event begin play, we're going to, I'll move this around a little bit as time goes on, but we're going to get the mop, get material 0, because it only has 1 material, right? Yes. Okay, material 0, create dynamic material instance. That's all fine. We're gonna promote this, right? Oh wait, right? This is this is going to be mop material. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to get the mop material, set vector parameter value, and this will be the new vector parameter value. And I can't remember if you have to update, like tell it to update. I don't remember. Let's see. Whoa, what's the problem? Wow, there's so many things open. Okay, close those. Whoa, target is the mop. Right? Okay, I think so. Bean Easter eggs in loading screen. I might just put a bunch of beans throughout the environment. Okay, and that did not work. Okay. Tell me it's updating at least. Sorry, didn't mean to hit my mic. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it's updating, so that's good. Do we just need to set material? Oh, is that it? Wait, I might just need to do this here. Right? And then it will update? I did something like this. Carlos looking real good with his trusty mop. I love that we named him Carlos. That's amazing. Okay, do I need to just do this every time? That feels really unnecessary. Because it is really unnecessary. Okay, why is this not working? Oh, I didn't give the parameter a name. I'm dumb. What did we name it? Just color. Still no. Why not? What is happening? Okay, do I need to do this every time? I can't remember. I did this once in the Bean game, I think. It's not working. Mop is Carla. Can we just, maybe I should put that on a shirt. Just mop. Just mop is the MVP. Okay, what is the problem? Setting the material to the dynamic material. And then we're getting the material, dynamic material, and we're setting this. So, okay, first is valid. Because this, if you don't do is valid checks all the time, I swear, Unreal hates you for everything that you've ever stood for. Because it just, yeah, you know. So if the mop material is even valid, if it is, then we can do this. If it's not, then whatever. Okay. Is it not color? Is that the problem? It is color. So what? 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 What is happening? I'm so confused. Okay, let's just test it in here. Oh. It's gonna change the whole mop. That's not what I intended. Well, that's a problem too. Anyway, I didn't consider that. The vine booms. Every time you find a hidden bean, yeah. Or we'll make it like terrifying. Instead of a vine boom, it's like a just horrifying ambiance all of a sudden kicks in. We'll make Slender Bean. You have to find the 8 beans. God, whoa, how do you do that then? So I did not consider that. Well, because I wanted it to be completely controllable. Okay, it's not working anyway. I need to figure out why it's not working first. I did this for something in the Bean game. I swear I did. Okay, hold on. We're gonna open Amanda Bean, yeah. We're gonna open the Bean game project real quick and hope that my computer doesn't explode. So yeah, I'm gonna open that and we're gonna check out and see if I can find how I did that, because I did it for something. I don't even remember what I used that for. I have to use dynamic materials every time you want to customize or like change the color of something, and I don't remember what I used it for in this, but I used it for something. Coffee time, guys. I don't know why I went to my face. You guys can see this loading. It's fine. I am Bean. Yay. I really do love that game. I thought it was a lot of fun to make, and it was a lot of fun to play. There were a lot of moments where, like, as I was playtesting, I would just get stuck playtesting because I was enjoying just playing the game. But it took forever. I can close Photoshop now. It took forever to get the environment built. That was like the hardest, most grueling process of the whole thing. And I'm so glad it's done. As much as I loved working on it, I'm so glad I'm done, because that took forever. I took a little bit of a break, and now I'm back into game dev. I've got like 2 or 3 projects I'm working on right now that will be their own videos as time goes on. I got to figure out the schedule. I'm planning on streaming way more often. Give the bean a OO face. I was actually considering putting little faces, like PNG faces, on the bean, but it's too small. You can't see it anyway, so it's, you know. Oh my god, why is it gotta compile 6,000 shaders? Jesus, Kratos Mop. Alright, I guess we're figuring this out on our own, because that's gonna take way, way, way forever to load. Option name, that's fine. Material, great, dynamic. This, set material. Okay. Can I get a vector parameter? I'm not even sure. Get vector. Okay, you can. This is going to be color. That's cool. Color. And then just print the value as it's updating. Right? It is changing. It's literally working. What? What do you mean? That's not changing, though. Okay. What? So it's working. It is setting the value. What? Is it... What? This is the part of game development that you guys don't get to see when I make a video about it. This is left hand. That's temporary. I don't know yet. Looks like RTX now, kind of. Yeah. So you're not gonna see it super well while I'm working, because I don't work in like lit up mode. I usually work in unlit just to test, but then once I go in game, it gets lit up. Plus, this is a demo map. This is not our built map. You know, I don't actually even know if everything's enabled properly yet. Ray tracing. Detail tracing, hardware, ray trace shadows, ray trace skylight. Do want those on. Enable ray tracing while editing. I don't want that on because that's for modeling. Yeah, what's the hardware one? I forget what it's called. Just trace. Okay, that's fine. No, what is it? I forget what it's called. There's a specific one. Oh, there it is. Use hardware ray tracing when available. Service cache and detail tracing. There we go. Now it's going to look a lot better. Okay. Uh-oh. Can you hear that? That's my computer struggling. Okay. You probably can't tell a super huge difference immediately, but the difference between hardware ray tracing and software ray tracing is absolutely insane. What if you made Bean fan art? That would be absolutely incredible. I'll post that in my community tab. I don't really have a whole lot of places to post stuff like that, but I love it. Any fan art is just the best thing in the universe. I know there are some people that like come after fan art to like copyright it, and I don't understand, because like fan art is one of the greatest things that can come out of a community. Skylight warning for shit. Oh, okay, got it. Why is this house in the middle of a giant desert? I don't know. It's also in the middle of an ocean, or well, never mind. It's on its own planet apparently. Don't mind this. This is not our house. This is our testing house. This is we don't live here. I mean, so here was my initial thought, and I had to kind of cancel it because I don't really have the assets to do it. We might still do it if I can figure out how to do it. I was gonna put you in a hotel instead of a house, and your cleaning job is actually like a job. Like you work at the hotel and your job is to go in and clean hotel rooms. That could make for a much, much larger project, but I think it could be interesting. I tend to overscope a lot when I work on games like this. Like the Bean game, that was not supposed to take 2 months, but just a consideration. Why are you invading someone else's house then? They're not here. As you can see, I don't see any cars. I don't even see a driveway. So nobody's here. It's perfectly fine. Okay. Shaders are still compiling. But now hardware ray tracing is on, so it'll look even better. Why is the colors still aren't changing? I don't understand. Why aren't you working? There's a maid. Yeah, exactly. Obviously. Okay, what is dynamic? No, okay, so there's nothing that's like not being checked. We're doing the most basic stuff right now. This is the part that sucks about game dev, because there's like, I know I can do this so much faster, but my brain isn't braining. So we're struggling on the easy stuff. Material, set the vector parameter, and then set the material. Is Bean game open yet? Not even close. It's at 5,500 shaders left. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna leave it right now as just a basic white mop. It goes through walls and doors, but we'll get to fixing that. The thing that I don't know how Lixian did, and oh, wait, he didn't, because I saw there was a point where it did clip through something. So what I want to do, and I don't know how to do this, I want to render the mop as a piece of UI instead of putting it in his hand like this, as a physical object in the world. Which, the problem is it wouldn't cast shadows properly. My brain isn't braining, guys. It's not working. Okay, what we're gonna do temporarily is try to. We'll skip that. We'll come back to this. We will come back to the mop color. I'm gonna comment this and say mop color is destroying my brain hole. Please come back and fix later. There we go. That's not how you spell later. There we go. Okay, now I know I need to come back to that. On the interaction, for now we'll just do it immediately, but I want to have this mop animate in your hand. Yeah, there's a video on it for weapons too. Yeah, so there are ways to put the mop. If I know what you're talking about, then there are ways to put the mop in as like a piece of UI, and it is possible to add a shadow with that. I don't know how to do that. I've never done that. I've only heard of it because it is a good way to do weapons. But so here's the biggest problem. Right now, the mop is outside of the collision range. So yeah, exactly. So if I wish there was just a way, because there are rendering options for rendering the mop on top of, or like rendering things, I guess we'll just say, on top of existing objects. I wish there was a way to just render this in the forefront, but it doesn't work like that. So instead, we're going to do exactly what Lixian did, which is keep the mop in, well, that's too close. But basically, we're going to keep the mop in the player's hands. So we'll do this. Or just, like, sure. And then, why is this using that? There we go. And then when we use it, it'll just flop into the world and do a little animation. You can't see it still. That's way too close. How did he do this? How is Lixian, a Unity developer, smarter in Unreal than I am? This is not fair. Okay,
needed to start was the mopping animation.
Okay, so he just added the animation as if. So how do you hold it when you're walking around? How do you hold it? How do you hold it? Where's? Show me you holding the mop.
Would Unreal?
Okay, yeah.
You know,
we don't have to worry about baking the lights, thank God, because we're using Unreal Engine 5, so it's all dynamic. Okay.
Not a lot of haunting going on.
Oh, yeah, that makes more sense. So that helps. That actually makes it a lot easier. I can do the thing real quick. Hold on. So we're gonna make our lives a lot easier when it comes to the grabbing of objects, and we're gonna use an asset that I've made for carrying physics objects. This is Later Night Mop. Yeah, I know, super clever name, Later Night Mop. We're gonna use this tool, which is going to allow us to grab physics objects easier, which will also give us the ability to make all of these objects. My nose looks so red. My ADHD brain is not okay. I swear. Anyway, what was I saying? I don't even remember. Bean as handle from Mop. You guys sure do love your beans. All right. I kind of want to have the mop facing upwards. I don't know. I kind of like that. All right. I've added it. So now let's add physics carry, or physics pickup in this case. So now we'll have the ability to pick up. We're going to have carry location attached to the camera. Yes. Okay. Bean and rice is a godly combination. It is, but coffee beans and rice, probably not nearly as much. All right, so we're going to put you here, wait, that's left, yes, okay. Like that, maybe? I'm not sure. Okay. This is a little bit different than I'm used to now, so we'll probably have to change it a little bit, but that's okay. Because this uses the prefix, and I don't really want to do it like that. So let's edit this. Yeah, okay. So, how do I change that? Coffee beans and coffee rice, yeah. The moment you figure out how to do that, let me know, because that sounds amazing. Thank you for the coffee reminder. Delicious, except I almost choked on it. It's fine. Okay, we're good. Okay, where does it check for... Is this really it? Oh, okay, no, I was going to say. All right. Instead of checking the... Oh, it's in a enumeration. Of course it is. Okay, fine. Whatever. We're just going to not use that. Instead, could I do... Yeah, okay. So what I'm going to do in the enumeration... Or not enumeration, a structure. That's what it is. Just make coffee bean thin and then... make them... That was not an English sentence, I swear. Tell you, but do I have 90 minutes? I mean, I'll be streaming until 2 p.m. Pacific, so... I got time. Coffee rice. Delicious. Alright, physics carry. In the structures here... Which one is this? Physics pickup setup. Physics pickup setup. There we go. Instead of this is going to be an actor class reference. So you're from Brazil? No, you're good. You're good. Class reference or object reference? I guess object reference. Array. Maybe. Physics pick upables. There. Hopefully that doesn't crash everything. Okay, good. So we're gonna... Oh, yeah, okay, perfect. This... so we're gonna check contains item. This. That's not gonna work. I guess... Oh, there we go. Contains the hit actor. There we go. And then we'll use this as our check instead. Perfect. Maybe. Well, it crashed. Yep. Okay. It crashed. Of course it did. All right. That's fine. Oh no, when was the last time I saved? I hate when that happens. Okay. You take your dirty bean water and use it to cook. Genius! That did not take anywhere even close to 90 minutes, but genius. Absolutely genius. Okay. Where's the map we were in? We were in... That's blueprints. Maps. Abandoned. That's the one. Why is it not in full screen now? Window. No, full screen. Okay. Here. What? Really? You can... Oh, you can lock actors now? I didn't know that. That's a new thing. Or maybe it's not. Maybe I'm crazy. Okay. Did it get rid of... Oh, it did. That's annoying. Okay. Fine, we'll add to the structure then. That's really dumb. Okay. Physics... Just do it again, I guess. Physics pickup and the carry location. Right there. Move you out like that. And down. Over. Sure. For now. Okay. Now, edit this. So your brain cell 90 minutes. That's fair. Oh, it kept these though. Okay. Yes, that's understandable. Now, where else does it do that? Oh, it does it in multiple places. That makes sense. Okay. Contains the hit actor. And if it does, then boom. Okay. Now, here, we're going to do the same thing. This contains the hit actor. And then that's the replacement for this. Good. And then here as well. Okay, we can do that again. It's just the same thing. Okay, I was worried it wasn't going to be that easy, but it is. When I made this asset, whoops. When I made this asset, I didn't know that was a possibility. So, cool. Now it works. Hopefully. So now if I go into here, instead of what we had before... Where is it though? Compile. Hello? What? It doesn't exist. Why? It just doesn't exist. That option is just not there. What? Excuse me? Save all. Will that help? Now if I go into here and here, it does not exist. What? What? Excuse me? It's clearly an option. Yeah, it's right there. But it's not there here. What? Still not holding my... No, I think I want him to hold it upside down. I think that's funnier. Why is this not... If I compile it... And do I just have to delete it and re-add it? Physics... Pick up? No, it's not... Do I have to restart the engine? I don't understand. What happened? Structures are so... Mop the ceiling, yeah. What am I even doing? Oh my god, it's hard to explain. So, basically... I have to restart the engine real quick. I had it set up... the interaction that I'm trying to do here is picking up a physics object instead of picking up a static object like Lixian did. So I'm using one of my old assets, and what it uses is a prefix in the name of the object. So, you know, if I wanted object interactable or OI underscore at the beginning of all of my objects, then it would have worked just fine. But I don't want to do that. I want to use an actor instead, like an entire actor class. So I just wanted to change that in the structure that I was using. But apparently, that structure updated in one blueprint, but not in the other one, which is weird. That probably didn't make any sense because it doesn't. It should have worked. Oh, it's just gone. Okay, physics. Hey Ash, how you doing? Welcome. This is my first time streaming in a while. I know it's very strange. It's still not there. Why does it? Sorry. Why does it not exist? Mop the air. Exactly. Why? Brain. Brain, please. Oh, I'm not in full screen again. Brain. Why? This doesn't make sense. Can I refresh all nodes? That doesn't matter. Can I refresh all variables? Where's the refresh all variables option? Do I remember you? Oh, not by name. I'm so sorry. I'm terrible. There are a lot of people now too, so I have horrible horrible memory with names. I'm so sorry. Comfort streamer. I'm back. I'm back. My screaming ways are back. I'm in the void and everything. It's great. It's just, oh, now it's not there. It's not here either now. What? 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 This doesn't... What? It's... Okay, see... If for those of you who don't understand what's happening, physics pickupables, right here, it exists in the structure, but then you look over here at the structure, it's not there! How does that make sense? It's clearly there, but it's not there. What? It is right here. Physics pickupables. I sure did break it. I don't know how. How do you refresh a structure? Can I refresh this? Refresh all nodes. Maybe I just need to change the variable type and then change it back. Struct pick up setup. Compile. It's there. Okay, now it's there. Now in here, if I compile, it's not there. It's still a problem. Why? How does that make sense? Oh, my brain. Oh, and it uses interaction keys too. Great. That's not what I wanted. I think we're going to have to rewrite this one instead of using the pre-built one because apparently I'm too stupid to do that. All right. Well, then in that case, never mind. I'll do that on my own time off stream. Man, this stream sure is going great, isn't it, guys? All right. We won't worry about that. We'll just pretend it works and, you know, yeah. How did I cause so many problems so early? Okay, delete this. Oh, it's probably going to give me problems. Gonna leave for now? Coming back to... Alright. See you in a bit. Thanks for stopping in. Sorry you had to leave at such a stupid note where my brain stopped functioning. Okay, let's fix up and then delete probably. Coffee slurp? That's not the word. Coffee sip for the road. Sure. Where's my water? Wait, what? No, it's over here now. Okay. That makes sense. I did just wake up before this. I usually get up a little earlier, but I was late today, so maybe that is part of it. Okay, physics carry, delete this. Get out of here. Get out of here. We don't need this anymore. We'll add it later if we need it, which I should probably keep it because it's got good stuff in it. Yeah, whatever. It's going to make me force delete. Fine, we'll keep it and we'll use other stuff. Okay, here's what we'll do while on stream. We'll make the level design. Oh, it's backwards right now. We'll design a level. How about that? How's that sound? Is that better? That's probably better for everybody, especially for me and my stupid brain. Which, you know, I say that, but I'm really bad at level design. So maybe that's a terrible idea. If you watched the Bean video, then you know that I tried to make a floor plan and it did not work. So, that's not how you spell maps. Maps. Purple bean. Yeah. Purple bean, delicious, best bean. Okay, that's where, what? Just, hello? What? Why is everything breaking? You guys just saw me make that folder. You saw me make that folder, right? I'm not crazy. Sitting in your non-existent third period watching me and crochet. You know what? Sounds like a vibe to me. I would do that if I could crochet. Maps. See, it does exist. It exists. It's here, but it's not. What is happening? How did I break this project so much? Okay, we're restarting again. Hold on. How are we off to such a weird start? Like, it's not even a bad start. It's just a weird start. I did not have this many problems when I did the bean game, I swear. Maybe I'm wrong, but I swear. Oh, excuse me, sorry. It still thinks it's open. It still thinks the project's open. What? Where? Where is it open? It's not. It doesn't exist. Yeah, it's just the one that's opening the bean game. Still. Yeah, it's still trying to open in the background, by the way. What's it at? 2,500 shaders left. Okay, it's still going. Where did I just click? Okay, problems. Does it think it's closed now? Nope, it still thinks it's open. Force stop. Yeah, I can't force stop it because the other one's opening. So if I force stop, it's going to force stop everything. All right, whatever. We're going to open it anyways. I was just trying to delete the save data because then that way maybe it'll like refresh everything, but it's fine. I lose my patience. No more beans. Yeah. On stream I have to keep my composure though. I would never lose my patience on stream. There's never been any rage moments on stream. I don't know what you're talking about. Fix up redirectors. That didn't help. Okay, fine. So we're gonna do this the hard way then. In here, content, core, maps, delete that folder that apparently doesn't exist but does. Problem solved. This makes you baby rage. Yeah, you're getting secondhand rage from my rage. It's wonderful. Okay. Oh, my face lagged a little bit there. That was weird. All right. Oh, it's just hello? Hello? Okay. That was strange. All right. Maps. It exists this time. Hooray! That's not what I want to do. Let's do it this way. Is it lagging? No. Okay. We're fine. Basic level. I guess we can do an empty level. Oh, my eye. What is happening? Okay. There we go. Basic. Sure. We'll delete. We're just going to end up deleting pretty much everything anyway, so it's fine. It lags every time I create something. Stop doing that. No. Okay. It's fine. It's not fine. It's doing it again. What is happening? Oh, it's because the... Okay. So, Bean Game is trying really hard right now. It's trying so hard. Because, like, I have a really good computer now. I upgraded my computer a lot to be able to do stuff like this for YouTube. But, that being said, I am still streaming and working in 2 Unreal Engine projects. I had Photoshop open earlier. This computer may be really good, but it is handling a lot right now. So I need to give it a break. It is at 2100 shaders. So while we wait for this to do its thing, let's talk how I make these videos, just because I need something to talk about, and that's where my brain goes. So let me find the things. I always have to click away because I have a lot of stuff that is working on in the background that I don't want you guys to see yet, because that's all secret stuff that's coming soon. Q&A, yeah, if you want to do Q&A too, go ahead, throw questions at me and I'll answer. So here's the so I'm looking at my folders right now, and I'm not going to show this off just because I don't want to spoil what they are. But I have, let me count these. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nope, that's done. 11 videos in the works right now. Hey, Crayon Hen, how's it going? I have 11 videos being worked on at the same time right now. That's a lot of stuff. I didn't even I should have counted that a while ago. They're not all being worked on at the same time, to be fair. I'm not doing them all at the same time. It's like whatever's prioritized at the moment is the one that I'm working on the most, but that's a lot of videos being worked on. Technically 12. I just thought of that. There's another one that I haven't, that's not in here, but yeah. Yeah, so that's a lot. Where's the one that I was trying to open though? It's the Lixian game one. Where is it? Hello? There it is. Okay. So for each of my videos recently, where's my gaming? There it is. Okay. What's my social security number? Yeah, man. So, my email, my business email is linked in my about page, and you can reach me there, and I will gladly share all of the information there. You know, just how's Shadow? He's not in here right now, but he's fat. He's very large. He is a very, very big cat now, in comparison to yeah. Let me stand. Hold on. I've been sitting for too long. I'm wearing my Unisana shirt. Woo! Unisanas. I have 3 cats and a dog. Yeah, Shadow. Oh my god, that's so much darker. Oh, this is so much more ominous now. I'm really truly emerging from the shadows when I do this. That's better. Okay. But yeah. They're not in here right now, because if they were in here, they would probably unplug my computer. But, you have 3 cats and a dog? Epic! Cat, dog, brothers. Brothers? What's a gender non-specific term for, like, bros? I don't know that. This isn't 2012 anymore. I gotta be more cautious. Plus, it's Pride Month. Oh, no, I gotta be extra cautious. Okay, so, basically, for every single one of my videos, I write a script. And usually the script goes through a couple revisions. So the Bean Game script, the first script, because I go through and I read it just to make sure it's timed well and it doesn't, buddies, there you go. That's a good one. I make sure it's timed well and it doesn't take up an hour of your time to get through the video. So the first run through of the script was about, I think, 16 minutes long. And then I revised it and I made it more quick and witty. And I cut it down to whatever it is now, which is like, what is it, 12 minutes? How long is that video? I don't even remember. It is 10 minutes. Okay, even better. So I think I got it down to like 14, then I revised it again, got it down to 12, and then down to 10, and that was like the lowest I could get it. But that seems to be a huge thing with YouTube right now, is you don't want to make long videos. 25 minutes seems to be a pretty good sweet spot for most YouTubers, but I'm small and unknown. When somebody sees a 25-minute little timer on a person they don't know, they're much less likely to click. So I have to be very cautious when I write my scripts, so I go through all kinds of revisions. And this one, I don't know why I opened this, because I'm not going to write it right now. But I'll do that for this video, once this video comes out. Fun fact, I can mimic cat meows. I think everybody can. I'm not doing it. That's not a way of you getting cat meows for free. No, that'll be only existing on my OnlyFans. Spoiler alert. Preview of coming attractions. OnlyFans coming soon. No, I'm good. Yeah. Okay. Is it gonna handle me? It is. Sweet. Link it below. It doesn't exist yet, but when it does, It'll be in the comments section of or the description of every video. Where was I just? Oh, yeah. I'll show you what the, so this is, oh, I can't show this yet. That's the folder for the Lixian game that we're working on right now. The Bean game, Top of the Morning Coffee game, this is that folder. This is the initial folder with all the footage. And then there's each of these are just Premiere stuff. And then, where is it? These are videos that I got from Jack. These were potential music. I didn't end up using those. This is the playtesting footage. And then thumbnail and trailer stuff. This is the trailer stuff. It is a lot. Yeah, I know. It's kind of a mess. It was organized in the beginning. Then as I started editing, it became more and more of a mess. But in total, I think that video, before I edited anything, was 6 hours of footage that I had to cut down. So that video was a lot to deal with. Coffee time, cheers. But yeah, there's just a little sneak peek into what I do for my videos now. Okay, it seems to be handling me well enough. Woo, right? Camera's not freaking out. Okay, I think we're good. Let's think about how I want this to be laid out. What do I need here? Get rid of the floor. I'm so bad at doing this part of game design. Level design is it's some people's favorite thing. I'm the worst at it. Okay, what do we want to use? So here's what we have. We have the farmhouse map. We have the supermarket. We have the atmospheric house map, which I haven't shown you that yet. Let's see if this will load. Don't freak out if I start lagging. It's bound to happen. Oh, that's fine. That doesn't need to be saved. Don't save. Okay. You just shocked yourself. Why? Don't do that. I mean, I'm sure you didn't do it on purpose, but still. Save yourself. Save yourself from the pain. Oh, am I going to start lagging now? No? Oh, I'm still safe. I'm not in the lag void yet. Oh my god, oh, there's the lag. Never mind. I was just going to say how it didn't lag. Okay. Lag over. Finish the lag. Don't freak out, anybody. It's okay. Okay, I think we're good. So, we also have this pack, which if you watch Mark, then he did a video a while ago in a 3 scary games or something like that. That looked a lot like Resident Evil 7 in terms of the environment, and that was this asset package. So we have this house as well that we can use. I'm in unlit right now. If I go into lit mode, you can see looks pretty good. This is a pretty good looking house with pretty good looking models. If I go to, this is the one that crashed it last time. If I go to the night lumen one, this might explode everything. Oh, I can hear my computer struggling. Oh, my computer's having a hard time. Oh, it's having a... Stream is really struggling. Streamlabs is really having a hard time. It's running perfectly fine for me. You guys are getting to see some beautiful lag. But as you can see, looks pretty good. I don't think it can handle this. So we're going to go back to the other one. Yeah. Your one brain cell betrayed you and it shocked you. Great. Yeah, that's... You get better brain cells. Don't get advice from me, though, because I have probably less than one brain cell left in my body at this point. Fanfare and I hate. Oh, my God. I mean, it's great for the graduates, but, like... It's such a boring loop, I will say that much. Okay, so we have this asset as well, which I think... See, here... Okay, here's the question. Do we try to make a hotel, or do we make a house? Because that's a very important distinction to make if we're going to make this game. So, I'd love to be able to do a hotel. The problem with doing a hotel is if I go here and I filter by... Nope, no, wrong way. Oh, I hate the way this does this. Oh my... Okay, hold on. Jesus, there. Yeah, that's annoying. Okay, if I filter by environments and we look for hotel, there's only one. It's the Forgotten Hotel, which is a really old one. If I go a 5-story house, Jesus. Yeah, beach home. That's what we're looking for. Later night. Show all projects. Later night mop. And we have to add an older version. 4.24 is the most recent. Jesus. Okay. Yeah, so this is an old asset. And it's probably not going to look super great. The good news is it'll be ray traced still. But, yeah. Basement on a basement. Yeah. It's like sister location, sub basement G or whatever. Oh! Important note, guys. I would love to do... Oh, you gotta go now? Alright, see you, Crayon Hand. Thanks for stopping by again. I would love to do VR game dev. And VR gaming, for that matter. I know the Security Breach DLC is coming out, I believe, this month. If not, I think it's next month. Or at least that's what the plan is. When that comes out, I will do that on the channel. I did the entirety of Security Breach. Even if I'm changing my content now, I will do the Security Breach DLC on my channel. I'd love to do FNAF VR 2 when it comes out, because it looks amazing, and I didn't play FNAF VR on the channel. And the reason for that is because I don't have a VR headset. So, I would love to do VR game dev, and I will absolutely learn how to do VR game dev, but I need to be able to buy one first, because they are not cheap. So, if you guys want to help with that, let me know. I don't have a easy way of donating. Why does the thanks button not exist right now? Where's the thanks? Does thanks not exist? Oh, there's super chats. That's why. So you guys can do super chats. You can do the thanks button on my videos, whatever it is. Those are the best ways to donate directly, because my other older donation methods don't work for some reason, and I don't get it. But if that's something you guys would like me to do, which it is something I am very interested in doing, the only thing is I need your help to get there. So if that's something you'd like to see, no pressure, obviously. Don't donate if you can't. That's always going to be the case. But something to consider. No, it does not already exist in the project. What do you mean? Install it. What? But yeah, something to consider. I won't say anything more than that because I don't want to beg for donations or anything. But that's a new thing. That's a possibility now, too. So, yay. If you guys want to see some VR game dev and some VR gaming on the channel in the future, let me know by doing super chats and stuff like that so I can actually afford to do it, because I am monetized now. I can say that now. I can say I'm monetized now. It's incredible. How about a penny every day? Hey, that's a start and I'll take it. But I'm monetized now, but the problem is, at the rate of views that I get on my videos, that I make pennies every day, pretty much. So, whatever. I won't go any further than that. That's something to consider if you guys want to see that, though. Okay, Forgotten Hotel. Let's see what this looks like. Overview. Ray traced. Forgotten Hotel. Oh, this is not. No, show me this showcase, apparently. Send 2 then. Big preach. Okay, so this is the Forgotten Hotel asset pack. I can probably go full screen. Oh, it does not like me. Why can't it handle this? Can it handle it? Like, okay, that's fine, I guess. Okay, so I can't zoom in. Sorry, guys. This is what this asset pack looks like. It doesn't actually go up, but, this is kind of cool. It does have rooms and stuff, but this is completely, like, abandoned. This is not a clean hotel. So, we could try to make a hotel. That is a complete possibility. But I'm only going to do that if that's something you guys would like to see instead of a house. But the more I think about it, the more I kind of want to do a hotel now. Just saying. And these vines, we don't have to add the vines. We'll customize it. Can I customize? Oh, here's an important question. Do these materials... Oh, they are... Oh, there's no non-worn version. So, that's kind of funny. It's like when MatPat played Lixian's game. Reminds you of Portal? Yeah, I guess it kind of does. Huh. Yeah, a little bit. When MatPat played Lixian's game, what is happening? What is happening? What is happening? We're gonna mute that actually. That was probably really loud for you guys. Sorry. What was I saying? When MatPat played, God, my brain. I am so sorry. When MatPat played Lixian's game, he wanted to clean the walls too. So maybe we embed that into this game where it's like you're cleaning a very, very, very dirty hotel. And you're not going to be able to make it look any better, but you can pick up the trash, and that's about it. ADHD hive mind. Yeah, my brain is all over the place. I don't understand how my brain works. I am not diagnosed with ADHD, but it sure feels like I have it. Is it running fine now? Oh, really? Oh, really? Okay, sure. That makes sense. I think we'll do a hotel, actually. I think so. I like this. What do you guys think? What do you think? What are you thinking? Look, if Bean crashed. No, Bean opened. Bean is opening right now. Yeah, where am I? I'm in a sphere. I'm in the toilet. It opened and I was in the toilet. That's wonderful. Okay, it's loading everything. Why did it have to recompile everything? I don't understand that. Okay, we're opening Bean. It's really... I can hear my computer just, like, ready to explode. Where I belong. No, that's where I belong, actually. Correction. Very important distinction. Okay. It's loading. Oh, I should not look towards the windows. The windows are the most laggy part of the whole thing because of the refraction. Yeah, this is the Bean game. It's still loading, so there's a lot of lag. Don't mind that. Oh, that's significant lag. Okay. I need to find what I was looking for. Did I do it in the Bean? Funny side note that you didn't get to see in the Bean video is that the Bean itself literally controls everything. Like, from opening menus to all interactions, the Bean controls absolutely everything. Yeah, the color stuff. I gotta find where's the Bean? It's in Coffee Bean. Bean. Okay. So this is the Bean. This is, as you can see, the Bean has a lot going on in him. Where... Okay, I just search for dynamic... Create dynamic material instance. Okay. We create it and set... And we're... Source material, get material. Yes. That's exactly what I did. So we're getting that. Create dynamic. Set scalar parameter. That's it. That's literally it. That is absolutely it. So, in here, let me plop my player in here. What is modeling like? Pain. At least for me. I cannot model for the life of me. Okay. This here. And then in here. Instead of the... Oh, maybe that's why. Ooh. I might... Maybe that's... Wait a second. Hold on. If I do this... Cut here. And then put you here. And then put you here. And instead of using that, it's just using this. And then get rid of that. And we don't need to do this. Maybe... That was louder than I thought it would be. Okay, no. What's wrong with Showcase? What's wrong with Showcase? What? Where is that? Oh, they moved it. I don't remember where it is now. Here, here. Level blueprint. Oh, really? Oh, it's because matinees don't exist anymore, and that was using a matinee. Jesus. Okay. Does it work? It still doesn't work. Why? Why? That doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense. I don't understand, guys. Creating the dynamic material. And then setting the vector parameter. See you later. Okay, go do your school stuff. See you later, Ash. Thanks for stopping by. Do I have to set? No. So that's what this is doing. Right here, it's lerping between these two colors. So let me get vector parameter, and this will be the color. We've been all over the place. I should rename this channel to something with ADHD because that's how my brain seems to work. Okay. Oh, I didn't, no, I am printing string. It's returning nothing. What? Why? What? Is it returning something here? Oh. That makes sense. That's my bad. That was dumb of me. Something ADHD. Just something with ADHD. That's the actual name. So it's changing the color, but it's not updating. Okay, so it's got to be something in the material then, because I'm doing this correctly. I know that now. So in here. Oh, your personal book. Nice. That's actually awesome. Let me know when you're done with it so I can check it out. Okay, in here, multiplying that, multiplying it by the brightness. That's, okay, so I should just, that's confusing, but okay. Should I just do this here? At the very end, like this? Maybe? I don't know. Nope. Supposed to change, I mean all of it technically, but the color of the mop should be changing colors and it's not. I don't understand. So what if I just instead were to set this to a specific value like blue? Let's just make it blue. You know what's funny with streaming this is what you're hearing me talk, otherwise except for when I'm talking to you guys. When you're hearing me talk out loud, I do this normally whenever I'm working by myself. It's not changing anything. Why? In Bean Game. Okay, that's all we're doing. Creating the dynamic material and then setting the parameter value. Friend does. I think everybody does that. Everybody does that, even if you don't admit to it. Everybody does that, at least a little bit. It's getting toasty in here. Yeah, so this is what I did. This right here, this is the bean. That's exactly what I'm doing here. So it should be working. It's the same thing. Just getting the mop. Oh my god. Yeah. What? Create dynamic. Set the vector parameter value. I mean, it's correct. It's literally, because it's returning this, I'm doing it correctly. Why it's not actually changing it does not make sense to me. Is there something here that needs to be changed? No. No, advanced maybe? Render and ray tracing, render and main pass. That's all fine. That's all correct. No, so it's... yeah, because it's up all the way anyway. The alpha setting is not being used because this is a vector 3. This is a vector 4. Why is this a vector 4? This is supposed to be a vector 3. But it doesn't matter because the opacity is up all the way anyway. But if I delete that and convert this, make this color... Oh, okay, yeah, it's the same anyway. So it was a vector 3. It's just for some reason... Okay, so yeah, that doesn't matter. Because it's still... The alpha's not being used. So... Plus opacity is grayed out, so it can't even be, because it's an opaque material. But why? What if I just do this? What if I just did that? Will that magically work? No. Usually it's that simple. Sometimes it's that simple, but it's not that time apparently. Why not? I'm changing it. It should be working. What? It should be blue. Right now it should just be a solid blue. If I instead set material. I didn't do this with the bean because it's unnecessary normally. But if I do this. Nope. Still no. What? It is because it's updating. Did it just crash? I think it just crashed. It is the right name because it's actually updating the colors here. So I that's why I did that, was to check, because it is. Okay, it didn't crash. Good. So yeah, it's the right parameter name. I just don't understand. Welcome back. How you doing? All right. What in the world? I just. Why? Oh, I figured it out. Oh my god. Oh my god. I never changed this. Okay. I'm stupid. I'm really dumb. We did it. So the material it was using was the previous material that we just changed a little while ago. So now it's blue. Oh, kill me. Oh my god. Okay, so now if I do this, it's magical. Okay, it's a little weird because I knew that was gonna come up. So let's make this a 5-second switch. And instead, this is gonna be at 2.5. No, 2.5. And then another one at 5 and 0. There we go. Magic. Just like that, we have a color changing mop. We did it! Kinda rainbow. It's not entirely rainbow. What I need to do to make it fully rainbow, I believe, is to... How do you do that? So right now we're lerping between... I think we just lerp between lerp, right? Can you lerp float? Yeah. So we're gonna lerp the alpha from 0 to 0.5, and then again from 0.5 to 1, I think. So then RG, so red to green to, and then green to blue. So this will be blue, and this will be green. There. And then lerp between these two. Lerp linear color with the full alpha. I don't know if that's gonna work. Let's see. B R. Nope, it's only lerping between red and blue. What if you mop with a bean mop? I don't know what a bean mop would be. Okay. R to G, G to B. So, what do I just divide this by 2? And then this. No, that wouldn't work. I don't know how I would do this. Because I hate lerping between colors, because when you lerp between colors, it always causes problems like this, because it wants to. So instead of going like this along the outside of the wheel, it wants to, like, oh, you want to go yellow to blue? It's going to go like this instead of like this, which is what I want it to do. So take a bean, stretch it out to the handle, and or for the handle, and make it a regular bean for the mod. Yeah, so it's just, it'll be, everything's made of bean, right? So you just stretch the bean as the handle, and then you stretch a bean for the bottom part. I'm over here, and then you put a bunch of little beans for the brushes. Genius. God, how would you do this? Because if we just lerp between one, then that won't work. Lerp. If I just go R to B, skip green. Is that just going to go white in the middle? Probably. Blue, red, purple, blue. Yeah, it's skipping green. So I guess I could do a flip-flop, potentially. So I'll... I could do... Oh, I'll do a switch. Okay, you can't switch on linear color. Or not switch, select. That's what it is. Saying hi because you get back to school. Hey, Brandon, how you doing? I'll be streaming again tomorrow if you get the chance. I know it's Friday, so it's probably you'll still probably be at school. But hey, how's it going? Welcome in, and go get back to your schoolwork. What are you doing? R to B. R to G, and then G to B, which means this will switch between R and G. R and G. I'm glad I understand what I'm talking about, because this probably makes no sense to you guys. So we're going to create a RGB switch, which will be a, yeah, so if it's false, then it's going to be red to green. If it's true, then it's going to be green to blue. And then it'll be off again. Okay, so if this color, this is going to be current color, current mop color. Every time we set this, we're setting this here, and then we're going to check, is this equal to R? If it's fully red, then can I do like an equal, a nearly equal? There we go. Within like 0.1 instead. There we go. So if it's almost red, then we will set RGB switch to, we'll base it off of if it's already on or not. If it is, so we're checking if it's red. So if it's red, then we're going to so we need to check if it's green, not if it's red. If it is fully green, then we're going to check, is it already on? If it is, then now it's not. Which, wait, why do I do this? Just the not of whatever it currently is. No, the not. Why did they get rid of that? Move it down to where the other not is. There we go. Okay. Sorry, I'm going into focus mode here for a second. There we go. Right? And then green, and then it's blue. So then we need to do this again for when it's blue. If it is fully blue. Okay. There. Now, if it's fully blue, we're going to do the exact same thing. Okay. That should work. Maybe. green, red, green, blue. Oh, blue. What? That's not right. Red, green, blue. It freaks out for a second. Okay, did something wrong. What did I do? What did I do wrong? If it's okay, maybe it's just this extra blue switch. Maybe that's not necessary. Red, green, switches to blue. That's not right. Blue, green, switches to red. That's not right. Didn't connect. No, I did. Yeah. Okay. If it is... Oh, this is where my brain starts to malfunction. Okay. If it's... RGB switch is off by default. So it's false, which means it's going to go red to green. Once it's green... Now it's true, so it's gonna go... Oh, that's a weird problem. So maybe if I just don't do that, and A is always red, maybe that's the case. Maybe that'll fix it. If A is always red, then green to... Okay, that's not it either. What? Okay. So that won't work because it's going to snap no matter what. It needs to go red to green to blue, back to red. So red to green, and then green to blue, and then blue to red. So... Maybe it needs to do this instead. Green, yellow, red, green, and now it's just not doing blue. Okay. What? Why? Oh, it's because it will never get blue. So if it ever gets green, then it will flip. Which is a problem. So maybe this needs to be red instead. Wonky. Yeah, it's weird. It's weird. These are the kinds of functions that sound like they should be easy, but they're not. Purple, blue, red, blue, and now it's just between red and blue. Okay. If I reconnect this. Green, blue, green. It's always skipping one. Why is it skipping one? Why does it want to skip one so badly? Check for red and blue. Green, blue, green. Oh, Lixian, hey, what? Hi, how you doing? What are you doing here? We're making a new version of your game because I'm an experienced Unreal Engine developer, and I figured let's mess with it. But I'm having a problem because my viewers wanted Rainbow Mop, and I can't get it to do it. But hey, Lixian, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by. I was not expecting to see you here. You know what's funny? I actually thought about this last night. I was like, what if Lixian popped in and said hi? I love the new video, by the way. I should throw that out there. I absolutely love the... I was thinking about, is this too outdated now? Do I make his... God dang it, what's it called? The Iron Lung one. do I remake that? Or do I do this? But I think because this was your first Unreal Engine game, it's like, let's mess with it. I stole your mop, by the way. Sorry. Power of the universe is on the... Yeah, exactly. Tell Mark I said hi. I feel like everybody says that to you. I'm sorry. Why is it freaking out? This is mean. No, thank you for stopping by. I'll make a video about it once it's done, so I'll tag you in that too, so you can see. Stole it from back. Yeah, so what I'm thinking about doing, and tell me if this is okay while you're here, can I steal the monster? Because I just have the same packs as you, so I stole this mop from your from the same pack that you used. Can I steal the monster from your game? I'll just extract it. I literally just started this like an hour ago, and I've been trying to make the mop change colors. So this is literally it. This is literally all we've done so far. It's a struggle. Monsters custom made. So okay, sweet, thank you. Yeah. So this big problem right here. Okay, the pack that you used and the mop that you used, these models. I already had to go into Photoshop and change this a little bit. So it does not. I don't know what you're talking about. You already had animations. I don't have any animations yet. All I have is a camera trace and a mop that changes colors weirdly. So since Lixian's here, I don't know how long you're gonna stay here, but what we're gonna do, so we're gonna say screw it and leave the freaky mop the way it is, and I'm gonna attempt to animate this better than you. Oh, the environment. This is just a demo map. This was another demo map I had. I have ray tracing enabled, so that's probably why you're thinking that. But do I need a red, blue, and green thing? Not necessarily. Got to bounce. Okay, no worries, no worries. Thanks for stopping in. That's really cool. What I'm gonna do, real quick. Let's say screw the stupid colors. Let them be weird for now, and I'm gonna do a timeline. What you did, and I think I'm going to end up doing this, I was thinking going in, like, I'm going to change some systems and do them in a way that I think is more efficient, but I actually think you did a lot of these things pretty well. So we're going to do mop animation. Because, yes, as far as I know, well, with Unreal Engine 5, I'm working in Unreal Engine 5, you can animate in the engine, or like in the editor, but it's not easy in any way. Unity is way, way, way better about that. So, we'll just do this normally, and we're going to play the mop animation, and it's just going to, instead of putting 2 points back and forth, we're going to, I think, just take, what's this positioning? 0? That's 0? That's not 0. Really? Okay, sure. So between 0 and, oh, it's not, I was looking at the wrong one. Let's make this 40 and negative 30. 40 and negative 30, that's what I'm going to do. So we will animate, where am I? Here we are. Take the mop, animate between those 2 points. So set world location as it updates, and we're going to lerp between on Y from the alpha, which I haven't set up yet, 40 and negative 30. And then this, we'll just go back and forth over, like, I don't know, 2 seconds, sure, with a float track. Between there, bam, and then back down. All of these are going to be auto curves at 0, 0. This is the most boring part of game dev. It's like what you said in your video. So everybody was like, level design! We want to do level design! Yeah, I'm horrible at level design. 0 and 2. And then this will be 2, no, 1, 1. Sure. And now that'll animate back and forth when I click. Or, relative location, not world location. Relative location. There we go. Y. This is just the Y for now, which means it's going to mess it up too, isn't it? So this on the X will change this anyway. So it's probably smarter that you put reference points in the character. The design looks interesting. Yeah, exactly. All right, click. Click. Okay, that failed. I swear I know what I'm doing. I promise. Oh, it's because I didn't hook this. I'm dumb. There we go. Perfect. Now, beautiful. That's way too slow. Okay, but it. Oh, and now it just won't do it again. Why? Oh, did it not play from start? Is that why? That's why. There we go. So clever. All right. Boom. Back and forth, and then I do it again. Okay. And then if I interrupt it, it's just going to do that. Okay. Sure, that works. That's really slow, though, so that's not that great. But yeah, having reference points is probably smarter, but I don't want to just copy what you did, so I've got to do at least something different. All right, let's make it... What, hello? I don't like that it does that. There we go. Make it 1 second long. There. Now, that looks pretty similar. It does clip through walls. I don't know how you... What magic you worked to get it to not clip through walls like it does right now. I know I'll tweak it and figure it out. But for the I know you didn't render it on top of everything else, but it sure looked like it did most of the time. I don't understand that. Some sort of genie magic there. Alright, so that's one. The problem is we're also going to have to do rotation animation for this. So yeah, I'm stealing the level design from another asset temporarily so that people don't run away immediately. Yeah, I know it does clip through walls occasionally, but you got it to... I think you just probably expanded the player capsule or moved the camera back or something. But mine's just completely out of the capsule right now. But at least for the most part, it didn't clip through everything for you. Actually, your character... Yeah, so this is part of the character itself. If I were to move this in and just move the camera back, that'll technically fix it. It's not preferred, but, well, or it won't at all. What? Okay, that just didn't work. Capsule was quite thick. What? Why did... Oh, it freaked out because I just moved it. There we go. Put you here. And now it'll be in a better place. So now, yeah. It helps a little bit. I want to render it on top of everything else, like as a piece of UI instead. But the problem with that, then, is there's no shadow. Or at least, I think there isn't a shadow. If I figured out how to do that, I'll put it in the video that I make for that later. But, oh, okay, I'm going to eat the mop with how close this is to my face. Is that lagging? That's annoying. It is kind of lagging on the stream. Dang it! Okay, in unlit mode it doesn't, but that's fine. It's because it's in a hardware ray traced mode. Don't mind that. I need my water. Stay hydrated, guys. You can do that. It is possible. I have not figured out how to do it. It's weird. So let me see if I can figure that out right now. It involves essentially putting the mop as its own asset in the world. I'm gonna have to make it an actor, aren't I? Probably. But if you just put it in the world and you drop it like 1 billion units below, and then you add a camera capture to... I am gonna have to make it its own blueprint. But essentially, you turn this into its own blueprint. You put a camera, some sort of camera capture on it, way below, and then you're essentially green screening it. It's weird. I don't know what it's called in Unreal, but you're treating it as if it's got a green screen behind it. And then you're rendering that in a widget blueprint. So it is possible to do. I haven't done it before, so let's see if I can figure out how to do that. Let's create a BP... Okay, wait, sorry. BP mop. And then add... I'm probably not going to be able to do this fast, but I can try to figure it out here. Mop. Mop. There we go. Okay. I don't like the pivot. That's always annoying, but that's fine. One thing that I'd like to do is when you click on a stain in the world, I want to get the bounds of that stain and then have it automatically, like actually mop the area, like attached to the stain and swipe back and forth. That might be a bit too complex for this video since I want to get this video out in like a month or two, but something to consider that I might do moving forward, which will involve switching the pivot point of it. Let's just see if I can even get a camera capture on it. How to render a 3D object in a widget UE4 or UE5, I guess. It's a mess. Okay. Overlay 3D components inside a widget. Yeah. So this is essentially... Oh, what am I doing? Okay. This is essentially what I'm trying to do. What I? Oh, hi, Mark. Okay. Okay.
Is actually going to be to take a 3D character.
Why is that so quiet?
Underneath the map, put a camera on it, cut out the background, and stick it on a widget as a material.
Can you guys hear that?
Sounds really complicated. Okay. But actually, it's quite easy.
There. Okay. So, yeah, I know the basics of this. So let's. Okay, scene capture component 2D. That's what it's called. In here. Scene capture component 2D. Yeah, even people who've been doing this for years on end, you still gotta watch tutorials sometimes. Why are there so many things open? This. Okay.
Capture right there, and then you can actually see the updates as the camera.
Okay. Overlay target. I gotta create one, don't I? Yes. Okay. This, see, and then when you think you know what you're doing, you try to skip ahead too much.
Okay. Is going to capture, see the target, and then we're going to actually draw it to the render target, which is right there.
Oh, he created one previously. Of course he did. All right. I'll figure this out. I will do that. I will figure this out. This is going to work. Probably. Maybe. Okay. Yeah. Okay. What did he create?
Target. Another thing I'm going to create is under materials and textures. We're going to create a render target. Call this overlay.
Okay, so it's just a render target. Got it. Render target. In here, in the mop. There we go. This will be mop render target. Sure. Okay. Why is the preview not gonna? Does it have to update when I compile? It does. Okay. So I'm gonna want this. Like this. Sure. There we go. Okay. That's probably too far away. Whatever. Good enough. Let's see if this even works before I try to start tweaking things. Okay.
Target
now. Yes, you've added your skeletal mesh.
Rotate it around, position it.
Got it.
Right now, let's go ahead and type show only, and we can show only actor component.
That's the green screen element. Okay, I'm gonna put this off to the side so you guys don't have to see this. Okay. So, scene capture. Show only component. In component is the mop. Perfect. Now that's essentially green screened. Now how do I display this in a blueprint? Or in a widget? Oh, it has to be a material? Okay, you're creating a UI material out of it. I see. Do similar stuff in Unity with a render texture. Yeah, it's another thing to like create, security cameras and stuff like that. I didn't know it was the same to be used for this. It's weird. And I want to do a video soon where I learn Unity because I've been an Unreal Engine developer for like 5-6 years now. And I've only touched Unity a couple times. So just like you did with Unreal, I want to do a very similar video for Unity. I think that would be interesting. All right, how do I, this will just be a regular material. Okay, this is going to be mop overlay. Sure, that works. Okay, now texture sample, I guess. Can't I just mop render target? There we go. Okay, it is a texture sample. That's weird. This is going to be a UI one, not surface. User interface. There we go. This.
Final color.
Okay. And it is opaque. Or translucent, I mean. There we go. 1-. That doesn't make sense. What the? Hi, Israel. Israel's here in stream.
Or anything.
Yeah, I know. I also.
Hey guys, where's the camera? Over there?
It's here. You're in the dark. Lixian's watching right now.
Lixian?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Sorry for my.
Unless you do it for a challenge, don't actually change. Oh yeah, no. So I do just want to. I know it's warm. I do just want to do it for a challenge, but I love Unreal because of the graphics.
Give me the ticket.
What?
I've called you 7 times.
I'm on Do Not Disturb. I'm not paying attention to my phone. Sorry. 1-, apparently. My door's open now. Okay. So now
I'll alternate
there.
the stream right now. I have to go there, but.
Okay.
I literally was just like.
Oh, thanks.
Stop. Yeah, wait, don't you want to go?
Okay.
Dude, that's so cool though.
Yeah. So now.
You know what? He could be your sneaky link to tell Jacksepticeye to play your damn game.
Oh yeah. Hey, if you have contact with Jacksepticeye at all, let him know that I made a coffee bean game and he should play it.
I'm hella in the dark.
Yeah, I know.
I blend in.
It's really dark in here.
It's hecka dark in here.
Okay, what do I do next? I'm clicking on too many things.
How many people are watching? Just him?
I think so.
Target.
Oh, what are the odds it's just him?
We haven't actually spawned
crazy,
the actor on
yeah.
the map.
Okay.
Well, so now it's a PCUI. All right, see you, man.
Quick stop. Just barge in,
Yeah.
You barge in. I'll probably do that next week.
Right? Okay. All right, see ya. So that's Israel. He's in the Bean video as well. Hey, Eric. Welcome back. Okay. So where am I doing this? Just a regular UI. So this is all normal stuff. All right, sure. We'll just make this its own interface, I guess. WBP mop. Sure. Now, that was me, the Bean game? Yes, I made the Bean game. It's on my channel. If you go to my channel, it's my most viewed video now. And yeah. I'm waiting for Sean to play it. I need Sean to play it. That's my launch off into the YouTube stratosphere, hopefully. Right now I'm just doing everything that I can to, grow my channel while also doing stuff that I love, like game dev, because I love making games. It's so fun. That's funny that you say that, like you've heard of it, which means I did it. I've been heard of. Just add the vine boom, yeah. Okay, this is a scene. What's it called? What's it called in here?
Image to the overlay target.
Oh, it's just an image. Oh, because it's a material. Duh. I should know this stuff, but I'm distracted. I'm distracted by chat. Don't mind that. Okay, image. Okay, plop, and then this, instead of being an image, is going to be mop overlay. Oh, that looks beautiful. That's not what I thought it was gonna look like. Okay.
And make it sit right here. That's working like that from class.
Okay.
With that, we'll go down here.
So he just spawns it really, really low in the world.
Figure out why that's which is what we wanted.
Okay. Sure. Okay, I think I can figure it out from there. That's weird though, that it's like that. Okay. Mop overlay. It's got to do so maybe not -1. I would feel like that's wrong anyway, but no, it is -1. Why -1? That doesn't make any sense. Because it's the inverse of the alpha, which would not make sense normally. Show only, maybe that's why? Do I show only actor components? And then just self? And then include from child? That would work. Yeah, why not just... that's really weird. It feels like that should... But it's not working anyway. That's also weird. So... so here's another problem. With ray tracing, this doesn't make any sense. This can't just be... Well, it's a user interface, so this doesn't count. But normally, with other materials, when ray traced, it has to be an opacity mask, otherwise you get this weird like film on it. It doesn't make sense. So that's just a weird note. This doesn't make sense to me. What is it returning? It's returning red. That does not make sense. How? So in this tutorial's case, it's already magically working. But in my case, it's not. I don't understand. Where did I go wrong? So so he's doing that. And then in here, that's unchecked. That's fine.
Pretty much done here. We're gonna make
final color.
We can save this.
Alpha -1, which does not make sense. And then
set the image to the overlay target.
Overlay target. And then it just works. So that's, what am I doing differently? It's got to be something in here then, isn't it? Where's the... here. This. All right. Sure. Gotta go. All right. Well, thanks for stopping by, Lixian. If you get the chance, tell Sean to play the bean game. But thank you so much for stopping by. That was awesome. Okay. Consider unrendered opaque pixels as fully translucent. Okay. Yes. Overwrite additive composite. Overwrite probably. Render scene primitive legacy. Why? That doesn't make sense. Okay, that's fine. Capture every frame. Capture on movement. Use ray tracing if enabled. That helps. Okay. That still doesn't change the... Oh, it does. It did change it, kind of. It still doesn't look very good. Is there a way to change the resolution of it? So the 1 minus does not make sense to me. That's really weird. Oh, in here. There's the... Okay, there's the resolution. 1920 by 1080? Or is that going to stretch it? I'm not sure. Okay, and then in here... Oh, perfect! Okay, so that's being rendered a little bit better. Maybe I need to make it 4K, though, because that does not look that great. 4K resolution. I never remember the 4K resolution size. 2160 by 3840. That's what it is. 2160 by... Really? Okay. Oh, okay. Sure. 3840. If I would read the things that I... What? Is it 3840 by 21? That's what it is, isn't it? 3840. Yes, I understand. 2160. There. Okay. Now, where is it? There it is. That looks better. That's probably way too intensive, but that's cool. Okay, and it's too zoomed out anyway, so if I come back like that, maybe that might work. So I think I can work with that, because that's pretty high res. Now, if I do it this way right now, because it's not animated at all in this, but if I add this to the player, and create widget, this will be the mop overlay. Of course, I figured it out right as Lixian leaves. It's fine. Add to viewport. Now I use that. Okay, so it's being rendered. It does look a little strange, but that's okay because we're gonna mess with it and make it basically just look like a first-person view of it. But that's a good start. So that's how you render a 3D model on top of your character. And now it'll never clip into anything because it's literally just an image being rendered on top. It's a little laggy for you guys because it's ray traced, but we did it. Right as Lixian leaves. That's fine. Okay. So that's cool. We did it. We figured that part out. So now we need to animate it there. Okay. In here, instead of... What did I just press? Okay. That was weird. There we go. Bam. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. This should not be connected. This should be here. So, why is that lagging now? Oh, Bean Game's still open. Bean Game can close now. I forgot about that. Okay. That'll probably help it run a little bit better. Let's go full screen. Full screen? There it is. Okay. Render target can close, this can close, this can close. That is really weird that it's inverted. That does not make sense. Yes, save that. Okay, there. This can close. Apply the changes. Yes. Okay, that's all fine. Okay. Now, here's the thing, because that's... I mean, it's just in the world and it's already being accepted, so that's weird that I didn't have to spawn it. I guess as long as it exists, then it can show. That's strange to me. Okay. Now let's take the player. Well, we already did for the player, which is this. That's the color animation of it, which is not fixed, but we'll work with it for now. That's fine. Put you here. RGB switch. There. What else? Current mop color. Got it. There. And then we'll work with that later if we need to. What's the other thing? Interaction, mop animation. That's what it is. Cut that. And paste this. We're going to create an event dispatcher, I believe, for this. It's probably the best way to do it. Or just a custom event, I guess. Yeah, we'll just make it a custom event. That's probably better. Use mop. There we go. And when we use the mop, we'll run this timeline. I think just... Yeah, we'll create a Boolean here. Is mopping... You could use a flip-flop, but I don't like using flip-flops because they can get overridden pretty quickly, so I use a Boolean instead that we can change between is mopping. If we are mopping, now we're not. If we aren't, now we are. Boom. And then play and reverse. There we go. That's it. Perfect. Okay. Now we'll call that. We just need to get access to it. So what I think... I mean, I could request it through like a public variable, or I could just get... Let's do it on event begin play. Spawn actor from class. And we're going to split the transform. This way it's ensured that we always have one spawning. You know, no. Let's add a child component. This is a smarter way to do this. Child actor. Mop, and this will just be our mop that we created, BP mop, and then this is going to be at location -1 or 10,000, sure. There. Now we can take this, get the child actor, get child actor, yeah, there we go, and then this we're going to promote to mop actor. Mop ref. There. A child. It is a child. It is an actual child. Alright, mop ref, and we're going to call use mop. Okay, or not. Oh, it's because I need to cast to mop. There we go. I always forget that step. Okay. Now when we cast a mop, this needs to be a mop blueprint object reference change. There we go. Okay. There. Okay. Ugh, the boring stuff. It's almost done. I mean, it's never done. The boring stuff's never done. It's fun to me, but there's not super interesting visually. I understand that. Mop ref. Use mop. Boom. There we go. Oh, or not. Or not. Okay, what? Why? Why not? Why didn't that work? Does it have to... Oh, wait, I think I know why. Because the other mop is still in the world. Wait, what? That was just a... Wait, what? Still no. What? Wait, did I just get rid of the... Or is it not valid? What? No, this was supposed to be the easy part. I thought, what? Why? Okay. The mop is not being rendered anymore. Why? Does it need to just be spawn? I guess it can't be a child? That's weird. Alright. Sure, I guess then. That's fine. Okay, so instead we're just gonna change this to mop and spawn one in the world. Spawn actor from class is what I was gonna do initially, but oh well. Alright, mop. Spawn the mop in the world. No. It's just apparently it doesn't work with child actors, which is weird. Negative 10,000, same thing. Here, this is the mop, and now use mop, referencing mop. There we go. It didn't compile. There we go. That should work, and it doesn't. Why? I gotta go back to the tutorial. I don't want to go back to the tutorial. I just finished the tutorial. Okay, here. Because he spawned it in.
Figure out why that's working like that. We haven't
spawn it
with that.
Okay. Okay.
And that looks okay to me. Compile and save. Now let's see how that looks. So there's our.
Okay, so he spawned it, but for some reason it works there, not here. What? Well, okay, maybe it's... No, because it's not showing at all. It should be showing at least. I got rid of the other mop because we're going to replace it with the current mop. It should be displaying already. Why is it not? What? What is it doing? These are the parts that I don't understand. Why why is it like this? The WBP mop. Does this need to be refreshed? Does this need to be... Oh, this! Why? Why is this giving me an error now? What? What did I just do? Okay. Linear color. What? What's the problem? I don't understand. What? I didn't change anything here. Yeah, uh-huh. Sampler type is color. What's the problem? What's the problem? Things like that don't make sense. I didn't change anything. Okay, let's get rid of you. Okay. Get rid of it entirely and just pull it in here. Mop render target. Mop overlay. Bam. 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 Apply. Save. Now it works again. I don't know why it stopped working. It's not lit up, which is a problem. But it exists. It's strange, but it exists. It is not lit up. That's a problem. Huh. Didn't quite consider that part. I mean, I guess we could put it in a white box or something that's lit up. But that is not good either. So that's the biggest problem with rendering it like this. I mean, ooh, you know what I could do is say screw spawning it below the surface. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep. Yeah, I've got Baldi's on my desktop right now, and I'm considering remaking that game as well. What I can try to do is instead of spawning it below the surface, spawn it, just like recombine this and get. I could attach it to the player's camera. Let's try that. Let's say attach actor to component, and we're not going to keep any of its anything. We're going to snap to target in all of these. Snap to target. Actually, instead of getting a camera, we'll add a mop location. Scene component. Mop location. There we go. Oh, okay. Oh, problems like that are scary. Okay. Here, that's the parent. Problem solved. Okay. Now this is just going to be get actor transform. There we go. Now, it's going to look weird for a second, but yeah, I clicked and then it disappeared. But there, now it is reflecting the light like it would normally because it is right here in the world where we are, which is what we want. But now, I don't know why it's offset like that. That's weird. That's got to be something in here. Oh, excuse me. Or not? What? Oh, there we go. Okay, that fixed it. So yeah, now it's in the center. Oh, it's because when I click. Got it. So when I click, it's setting it off. But let's disable that temporarily, because we'll come back to using the mop here in a second and make it look better. But for now, there. So now we have 2 mops. I'm inside of it, and so now it's causing problems. So what I'm going to do is remove collision on the mop. So this way it has no collision at all. And then, what's next? What's next here? No collision there, and then not visible. Oh, that's weird. No, so it's visible in scene capture only. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. There we go. Okay, so now it's going to be reflective of the light around us. Whoa, that's kind of laggy on stream, but there. So now that works. Cool. So now we need to do exactly what I was talking about before, which is animating it in a way that makes it look like it's actually in our hand, because right now this does not look like it's in our hand. But that works. That's the first time I've ever done that. I'm very happy that that actually worked. So yay. Okay, cool. Now, okay, to animate it, we're going to, I think it's probably smart to do what Lixian did to animate this, is have multiple points. Question? Go ahead. Go for it. Back and forth like Lixian did in his video. Do I have a Discord? I don't have a public Discord right now. I have some private Discords that I've tried to use for streaming in the past, and it doesn't really work. I don't really understand how to make a Discord server properly, and I don't have any moderators for it, so I haven't done that yet, and I probably won't do that for a little while. But it is in the back of my mind. It's sitting there. It's sitting there waiting. Okay, let's... How am I gonna do this? Okay, can I make it visible always for a minute? Please show... Where did it go? Where did it go? There it is. Okay, let me see. You made a few? Well, I'm still... I don't feel like just the moderators is the biggest issue for me. I want to make sure I have moderators before I commit to a Discord server. But I'll look into it in the future. We'll see what happens. VSync editor 1. There we go. That was off for some reason. Okay. So for actually mopping, what I think I want to do is snap this to... We need to change the pivot. We need to change... Or we could just do this. I always forget this is an option. I always forget I can do this. This is going to be mop root. And then mop is going to be attached to the mop root. And mop root is going to be where the handle is. So we'll do this, and then that'll look like we're rotating it in our hand if it's like that. Kind of. It needs to be up a little bit. There we go. And then this will be at the top like that. There we go. Okay. Now, the question is, well, this is the math brain. This is the math in my brain really trying to work its way out of me. Because I have this vision, right? What just happened? What happened? What happened? I didn't do that. Oh, it's this again. Okay, that's back. Get rid of that. And this too. No, not here. Here. All over the place. Okay. Turn this back on. Scene capture only. There we go. Okay. Now. Okay, it looks the exact same, but here's what my brain's trying to do. When you sweep, you are sweeping a stain, and I want it to actually attach to the edges of the stain and go back and forth, which shouldn't be too difficult to do. It actually should be pretty easy. But I don't know how to do that with the scene capture. Yeah, I can feel the gears turning. You can see the gears turning. They're like extruding out of my skull. It's weird. You know how it is. You know how it is. Yeah. Oh, with the scene capture, this becomes a bit more of an issue. So I might not be able to do that. It might just look like, like you know how in games you have a gun, and it's like I think Lixian talked about this in his most recent video, where it's like it has a little bit of a sway, and then you shoot. Well, it's gonna be like that. The mop is just gonna be there. It's gonna sway, and it's gonna look like it's sweeping the air instead of sweeping the ground. So that's a thing. But at least I'm holding the mop and it's not going through the walls. That's something. Okay, can I... Because I'm not sure. I'm not sure how this works. Yeah, one just broke. Yeah, it snapped in half. It'll glue back together eventually. Just give it some time. Give it some time. Okay. Mop location. Oh, that can go away now. That's not part of this anymore. So the mop is going to... Yeah, we're going to create a few points, I think. Well, yeah. We're going to have a holding position, which will just be in here. Now, a scene component. This is going to be hold location. There, and then I'd like to be able to see the mop again, please. I don't like that it goes away entirely, but whatever. Okay, hold location is going to be closer to the camera and down and off to the side. So if I, on event begin play, put the mop set relative location to the hold location, get relative location. I mean, I could probably do that through world location, but that's fine. Bam. Not what I thought it was. What are you? Oh, it's because you're still visible. I see. Oh, it's not moving with the character. Oh, so the lighting isn't gonna adjust if it's not with the character. I'm glad I saw that. Okay, so the other thing is event tick, which I hate using event tick, but we need to. We're going to set actor location to get player character, get actor location, and then it'll constantly be at the same point. Now we won't see it. Oh, we will see it, but it's there. Now it's in the wall. That's not. Why is it offset? Oh, it's because the... Got it. Okay, that's a problem. So plus this plus the world location of the mop. Get world location. That's not what I... Get world location. My math in my brain is working in overdrive right now. There we go. Did that work? I think so. It either worked or it's worse. Let's see. Whoa, what? Where's the mop? Where's the mop? where's the mop? It's still on screen, but where's the real mop? Where's the actual existing mop? Mop? Where? What? How? What? No, that didn't work at all. Okay, is it minus? Oh, wait. Relative. Relative location. That's it. There we go. Beautiful. It's all, okay, so it's minus. It is minus. This, minus. This. Here. File. Make sure to save. I'm saving constantly. I think I am, at least. Where'd the mop go? Where's the mop? 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 Wait, mop? Where's the mop keep going? It just keeps disappearing. Oh, it's in the ceiling. Why is the mop in the ceiling? Why? That's not what I said. What? Is it because mop root? Ah, that's probably why. There it is again in the exact same spot. Okay, so instead of minus, is it plus? And then we also just add the relative location of the mop as well. I'm gonna save all real quick. You're right. I should save all. Just save those untitled, I guess. Why are you up higher now? What is, okay, that's interesting. I swear I know what I'm doing, guys. I swear I do. Okay. Mop relative location. Oh, because of the mop root too. So it will be the mop root mop. Okay, mop root plus the mop, and then this minus the. Okay. What's happening? Mop math. Did that work? Oh no, it didn't. Oh, it's over there now. Why are you over there now? Why? Okay, so maybe it's plus still instead of minus. Move. Do this plus this. Go there. Yes, maybe. Mop. Where are you? Where'd the... It's gone again. It just disappeared again. Mop, please. You're over there. What? It's behind. Oh, it's not behind. It just, the mop just is. The mop is whatever it wants to be. It does not abide by the rules of the universe. Is it actually changing the brightness? Is it being affected? It's not. It's not really being affected. That's not. Well, that's a problem. So none of this even really matters, is what you're telling me. That's strange. Alright, so I'll just stick to this then, I guess. Temporarily, at least. That's fine. Oh, excuse me. Oh, sorry. Maybe I should be animating the camera instead of the mop. It would do the same thing, but it would keep the mop. Yeah, but that's way that's way harder to do. I'm not gonna do that for now. Whatever. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Definitely. Hold location is gonna be up. Let's see. How's that look? It's gone. Thought so. Way further down. Wait, am I setting mop location? I am. I need to set the mop root, not the mop. That's why. Okay. Hold location. Right there. Yes! Yes! Okay. I don't care that this mop is in the world too. It's weird. It's gonna be weird. It's fine. It is fine. I know what I'll... No, that won't work either. Hey, how's it going, Adrian? What's up? We're mopping. We're mopping. We're math mopping right now. Okay. So that actually kind of works. So that's cool. Yeah. Oh, that was the thing I needed to do. Was this? Yeah. Blue is Adrian. Welcome. Render in depth. Wait, no, not that. Where is it? Render only. Where did it go? There's a well, render in. Oh, where's scene capture only? There it is. My brain is melting by the second. I'm struggling more and more. There we go. Okay. Trombone? Yes. Epic Trombone Man. Okay. So, it is kind of... It's kind of adapting to the light, but also not really, which is weird. That doesn't make sense to me. It should be, like right here, it should be brighter, but it's not. Why? Why is it... Oh, excuse me. Excuse the yawning. Don't mind me, I'm sorry. Okay, what? It's just not updating, so that doesn't make sense. Then I know who you are. Well, oh, I do know who you are. My brain, yeah, more coffee. My brain did not register that. Okay, yeah, my Untitled. Why does it want Untitled so badly? Save it. No, don't. Yes. Yes, it's fine. Is it open twice? What's happening? Cancel. Whatever. That's fine. As long as everything else is saved, I don't care about the environment. We need to restart the editor. Oh, hold on. Ugh. Why am I so red? Why does this show up as so red? It's either green or red. It doesn't make sense. Okay, ignore those. That's fine. That's all fine. Now, we're going to delete saved and intermediate. There we go. It actually let me delete it this time. Cool. Tomato. Yes. Oh, okay. Okay. Guys, I relaunched the editor and it changed the layout. Why? Why does Unreal do this to me? This is the newest version, so it's probably got some bugs, but still. Can I... Don't I have a specific... Yeah, there we go. UE4 Classic. There we go. It's the layout I like to use. Catch you later? Okay. Yeah, no, you let me know when you want to collab. I've got so much content now, so if you want to do something, hit me up. We'll do it. All right. But yeah, thanks for stopping in. I'll see you later. Okay, let's go back to the other environment, which was the Forgotten Hotel. That's what it was. My brain is shutting down, little by little. What is Untitled? Why? Why did it save it separately? Go back to the showcase. It's the same thing. Yeah, it's literally the same thing. Okay, I'm gonna sit down. He does, yes, of course he does stuff. He doesn't, hold on, I'm out of frame. I'm still talking. I'm still here, guys. I'm definitely still here. I'm in the void, but I'm still here. As I re-enter frame here, yeah, he's also a YouTuber. He doesn't upload much. And I'm waiting for him to start uploading more frequently. We did a video together on my channel, where we did 5-minute crafts. So, yeah. VSync editor. It's a ghost! No, it's just the void. It's just void emptiness. Okay, so let's stop for a minute with because now we have a mop in our hand. It's magic. We're holding a mop and it's not going to ever clip through anything. It's a miracle. We're going to start working on level design. I have another hour left of the stream before I have to go. So we're going to... Maps are gone again. The maps folder's non-existent again. Okay, sure. We're going to create a new blank level. That's fine. We're going to save this in core maps. I'll just call this hotel. There we go. Okay. In here, we're in unlit. Good. Okay. We're going to... Yeah, so here's my idea. Here's my pitch to you guys. We're going to make a hotel that is haunted. Ooh, spooky. What I'm thinking I'm gonna do, now that I have Lixian's permission, which kind of crazy. I should have also asked if he's okay with me uploading it to Itch and Game Jolt, which I'm sure he probably is. But my idea is we're going, and if he ever checks back in, then I'll ask that next time. But what we're gonna do is create a hotel that is haunted by Lixian's spooky ghost that I will probably steal and then modify. A little bit. Maybe I'll give him a top hat. Maybe that's the spooky part of this one. He has a top hat. And your objective is to go around go around the hotel, and you work there. So you have to go through all the rooms and clean all the rooms. Just like in his version, where you have to go through the house and clean all the rooms. We'll have a checklist, and we're gonna do it a little bit differently than what he did, because I already know, I have the plan there of how that's gonna work. And you have to clean the house while spooky things happen, and there will be little beans. We'll put beans around because you guys love beans so much. We'll put little beans around that you can collect as secrets and collectibles, and maybe beans will be like your currency. So if you can find all the beans, then you can pay beans for stuff in like a shop or something to like get upgrades for your mop and that kind of thing. That could be fun, just fun little extra stuff. The only thing that sucks is when it comes to making games like this, when you want to add extras usually take a lot of extra time to make. So like I want to get this video done. Like I want to get this game done and the video done so I can get it out for you guys to play and watch, but get it done as fast as possible, you know. So let's go Forgotten Hotel, or, well, let's see, hold on. Because these are all modular pieces. So, buildings. Does that look like hotel flooring? Nah, not really. This is my comparison stage. Finding the right assets to use it takes forever. Huh. What, really? There's no floor pieces here? Oh, there are. Okay. This is from the farmhouse. That looks a little bit more realistic. Welcome back, Ash. Welcome back. Yeah, that I will use carpet. I'm gonna use I don't know where he got the fluffy carpet from. But I'll look into that and see if I can find it. If I might have some in here already, but if I can't, then I'll just do exactly what he did. Excuse me. Let's see. Module. Floors. Floor 300. Okay, so those are pretty similar. Are any more high res than the other ones? Wow, I think the... Okay, obviously this is the most high res. This is the least high res, which is weird. And this one's kind of like right in the middle. So, Oh, I love that. That's one of my favorite parts of that asset. So this, see how this moves around? Let's go into full screen here. See how this moves around and it just kind of like the wood moves around with it. But then if you take this, the wood texture stays in place, but the object is moving. That's one of my favorite things. I absolutely love that. So I think we'll use these floors, even though that looks pretty much, well, no, screw it. We'll use these floors. These are pretty much the same. Are these the exact same size? Awesome. That's actually perfect. Okay, so if these are the same size, then I will just apply this material function to this. So in here, world tiling master, that's what it is. So, Really? What? Okay. So, oh, okay. Well, that works too, I guess. So maybe we'll just... Oh, this has a ceiling attached? Oh, it has a ceiling underneath it. That's weird. That's actually really useful, though. So maybe I will just use that floor. Screw this floor. We'll just use this. That's fine. It's the same thing. It's really trippy, but it's so useful. Cause like these are seamless. They're perfectly seamless. Now there's never any problem with like getting textures to line up when it works like this. Cause you know they always will, no matter the scale. So that my favorite part is like, okay, I want a wall like right here, so we need to scale this down. Boom. Now the texture didn't scale. Now the texture stays the same size. It's so helpful. Okay. Put you at 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now, does the bottom do that too? Yep. Sweet. The walls will do that too, so that's also cool. Okay. I need reference images because I am not a level designer. Let me open it over here. Hotel, haunted hotels. Sorry, give me a second. Okay. No, Google, you don't need to know my location for this. Okay. Don't give me outsides, give me insides. There we go. This is what I'm looking for. That looks cool. That looks creepy. Oh, my nose is killing me now. Why is my nose gotta be killing me? Sorry, excuse me. My nose always messes with me while I stream for some reason. I never understand it. That's cool. Okay. So it does need to be too wide, I think. I love that carpet. Yeah, maybe that is smarter to have carpeted hallways instead of wooden hallways. So, does this have a carpet material? When's my birthday? My birthday is in March, so it's already passed. It's gonna be a while until it comes back around, but we'll get it next year. Materials. Tiling materials. Carpet. I don't like this carpet, though. So I'll duplicate it. I'm going to do exactly what Lixian did. Carpet 1. So is this what's doing it? I clear that. Oh. Okay. Get send me $100 worth of oil-covered pennies. Why? I don't want this. No. What is? Okay, that looks okay. Looks kind of okay. It's almost like it needs to be bigger, but it's not. So is it this? Whoa. What in the world? Okay, ceiling. No, now that doesn't look like... Well, it kind of does. Not really, though. I don't know. Let's see. Let's test it. Looks like a barn roof. Whoa, that's bright. Oh, that's really bright. Go into lit mode and put a light in here. Oh, yeah, no, that does not look good. Carpet textures are always the worst. But I want it to tile like that. Like it does for the other ones. Oops. Okay, can I not reset this? There we go. Okay. Oh, so this is the base color and that's the normal. I understand. That's weird. Where's the light? Hello? There we go. So does the dirt not tile? No, it does. Okay, that's all the same. That's weird. This is very strange. I haven't worked with this asset pack in a while. I don't like the lines. The lines don't make sense. But if I change that, like ceiling, then we're back to the same problem we were just at a second ago, right? Yeah. It's got these weird squares on it. That does not make sense. I don't understand the squares. Why are you like this? What is playing? Is this in my playlist? I feel like it's not, which is concerning. Let's make sure it's playing non-copyrighted music, please. Yeah. I don't know what it went on to play, but I'm hoping that doesn't get copyright striked, because that would kind of suck. What in the world? Does that have the squares? It does. Why? Where are the square? Okay, the squares have to be from the normal. Yeah, they definitely are. Okay. So here's what I need to do. We need to go here. Is it Polyhaven? I can't remember. One of these. That's insane. Textures. If I want a carpet what are these? Okay. If I want a carpet. Carpet. Really? No carpet textures? That's insane to me. I thought for sure. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna find a good carpet texture because I know I have some. Probably in the atmospheric house. Carpet. Carpet clean. Good. Carpet worn. That's also good. It's not that good. Here. Back to here. Look up flooring, maybe. Flooring. Or just floor. Huh. Concrete. Wood. Snow floor? Okay. Playground sand. That's very specific. They have playground sand, but not carpet. Floor tiles. We should make a Five Nights at Freddy's game. I am very much thinking about making a Five Nights at Freddy's fan game. My problem is characters, because I am not a character designer. Asphalt. Concrete. Everything but carpet. Yeah, nope, no carpet. Perfect floor, playground, sand. Yeah, we need to have a playground in this game. What in the world? That's weird. So what carpet did he use? Because I know Lixian used a carpet that was like weird looking as well, but which one? Here.
So it was timed.
Okay, he shows off him using the carpet with the stains in it. Yeah, this right here.
Since I really like the fluffy, I also avoided very lore specific to that game and would make no sense in mine. You can also modify the shaders themselves. For instance, I really like the fluffy material in one of the rugs, so I grabbed that material and
one of the rugs from what? Old brick house. Okay, good to know because I have that. So okay, I found it. I got it. We figured it out. I gotta add it. Hold on. Okay, so old brick house. Perfect. I can add that one. Fluffy tile. Beautiful. Later night mop. And the most recent is 5.1. That's fine. Add that. Okay. Let that add. What happened to my hand? My hand. Okay. See how that looks really red? It is not that red in real life. It's like barely red at all. What is happening with me and my face and my camera? I don't understand. I'm so red. We have 45 minutes left now. We spent the last 15 minutes trying to figure out the flooring. I'm a genius. So, most likely, tomorrow we will do a gaming stream. But there's a possibility that, yeah, hue saturation. No, I messed with that earlier. That's the thing. I'm either green or I'm red. And I'd rather be red. Sorry, Sean. So yeah, most likely tomorrow we'll do a gaming stream, but we'll hop back on this again next Tuesday. That way I can spend the weekend doing a little bit of work off camera, or off stream for you guys, so you don't have to deal with these types of issues. Okay. Materials, instances, rug. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, the ray tracing. Oh, the ray tracing. Oh no, the ray tracing. Oh no. Oh no. What? What is happening? Well, I didn't consider this. Ray. Nope. Oh, excuse me. Oh, wait, is that why? Nanite override material? No, that doesn't matter. Ray. Cast ray trace shadows, yeah. Maybe I need to turn that off? No, ray. Okay, that might help. Whoa! Okay, that works. I didn't think it would be that easy. There we go. Okay. That's not the rug he used, is it? But that's okay. Wow, that's bright. Why is that so bright? That feels really, really unnecessarily bright. How do I make you not that color? Or that texture? That? Ooh. That kind of works. Did that work entirely? That might work perfectly. How about on Discord? Okay. See, Jacob's in the custom Discord. Okay, hold on, Jacob. Hold on a second. I don't even have Discord open. My computer's gonna... Oh, I have to log in again. I never logged in. Wait, are you human? Yes. No, actually, that's a lie. Oh, God, where is it? There it is. The things I do for Jacob. Where am I going, Jacob? Am I going into the regular channel? Or am I calling you, or you calling you? You call me. How about that? How does that sound? And then I can decide if I want to answer or not. Okay, what happened here? This is wrong. Okay, so don't use this. I could be, but no. Oh, I'm not showing the screen. See, the problems you cause, Jacob. Why is this? There we go. Oh my God, it's such a mess. Jacob, look at what you've done. You can't see it because that's how much you've done. Okay, it's fine. We're here. Hello? Hello? Oh God, it's not set up. Oh my God, Jacob. Where's the... There it is. This is input. This one. And, sure. There.
What?
Okay. Talk.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay.
Hey, look at us doing things and getting stuff done.
Yeah, us.
Yep, it's all me, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm
Let's
sure
be
it
honest
is.
with ourselves, Paxton. It's mostly me.
Who's the one making a game right now?
Oh, well, who's the one getting... Never mind.
Yeah, wow.
I was gonna say some awful things, but...
Of course you are. You're Jacob. That makes sense.
Dude, my Razer Synapse fucking... It like, crashed last night, so I have to remake all of my, like, settings.
Sorry, you're what?
So you know how, like, Razer keyboards, they have, like, the...
Silence your phone, Jacob. We're streaming.
Dude, it's one of my little whores texting me.
Okay.
No, I'm just kidding. What was I saying?
Razer.
Oh, so Razer, right? They like have to like put the lighting and shit on all their products and stuff.
Uh-huh.
There's like this app there's a program called the Synapse.
Mm-hmm.
So like I had all my colors and my macros put on it,
Mm-hmm.
and it basically just reset yesterday, so I had to put all of them on there yesterday.
I love starting over.
Dude, it's a great feeling, isn't it?
Yeah.
And here's the best part. It's slow as fuck. The
Great.
program is running so slow.
Yeah. So just
I don't
be
know
better.
what
I don't
happened.
know what the problem is.
Oh, you're right, dude.
Why is this? Why is this?
So I was supposed to stream today,
Mm-hmm.
and my new monitor hasn't come in yet, so I'm literally just waiting for my monitor to come in.
Well, if it comes in by tomorrow, I'm gonna be doing Outlast Trials tomorrow,
I'd be down to play.
which I was gonna do Tuesday, but then my audio just decided not to work.
We love audio not working.
Yeah. I think the first stream, if your monitor's not in yet, don't worry about it, because I think the
No,
first.
my monitor will be here today. Like, it's coming in
okay.
today for sure.
Okay. Well, I think tomorrow I want to do, at least for the first portion, alone. Just like going in for the first time alone. Outlast Trials.
Isn't it a multiplayer game?
It is, but it's also, you can also do a single player.
No,
This is weird
I will
looking.
beat your dad up.
No, you won't.
Nah, you're right. He's a lovely guy.
He would also destroy you, but it's fine.
Nah, dude, me and him, we would just start kissing.
Maybe. Probably not.
No,
Well,
there's no
hopefully
maybe.
not.
We would just start kissing and shit.
Oh, this doesn't tile. That's fine.
Dude, this program is gonna be the death of me, I swear.
Just gotta get better, man. Okay, Lixian just changed the color. I can't just change the color. What did he do differently?
Are you calling me?
Tile
I'm down for whatever.
with palm? What does tile with
Well, whenever you decide, let me know.
Jacob, you need to learn to mute.
Nah, dude, it's funnier that way.
That's how you do it. This needs to be... That's not right. We'll just make it completely white to the point to where it's blinding. Beautiful.
Just turn my camera on. Just so
There
that only
we
you
go.
can see it, so we can, like, be gay lovers, you know?
I won't even look. I can't.
No, you're
It's
gonna
impossible.
look
Oh, Jesus. Great view. This is what I'm seeing for everybody on stream.
at it. Wait. Let me fucking...
Just there you go. That's what I'm seeing. It disappeared. I can't click off. So that's my POV right now. There he is. Here he comes. Yep, okay, putting him away. He's going away now. Okay. That doesn't look too bad. It's super like I need to change the color on it for sure. But it's not too bad. That is the exact same fluffy carpet that he used. So
What? What did I do?
you didn't do anything.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about Lixian. Lixian was in here earlier, by the way.
What the fuck? That's crazy.
I know, he just hopped in and was just like...
That's so cool.
He's like, this is cool. So...
How the fuck did Eric call me tiny? Eric, you're like 4'2".
You weigh like 30 pounds. I can just like... You're gone. That's it.
30 pounds. Jesus.
Eric is a baby. I don't want to hear slander from a guy who weighs like 20 pounds.
It went down. It
It did go down.
took 20 seconds and it's down lower now.
Yep. This should be at 25.
All right. Here. Player. Yeah, it's invisible. Okay. The mop better exist. Let's go.
What does that even mean?
The mop, it exists.
He said the mop better exist.
Oh, the weird part about overlaying it on top of the UI is it doesn't look real now.
Look what you did. You
It's
broke
like
it.
it's like phasmophobia when you bend down and your whole body just goes.
Oh yeah, that shit's hilarious.
Oh, I don't know if I don't know if I'll
put this
keep it
out
like
to
this.
Reactive. How do I? Did I do it? No. Oh my god.
Oh, and the
haven't
lighting's
had
all
to-
off.
I haven't had to like. My hair looks huge.
Struggling. Okay. Let's. Okay, I'm not gonna worry about the mop for now. We're gonna worry about the designing of the hotel, which was the whole idea of this portion. How's that? If I do this. Boom.
What the hell are these?
That's better. That's a good distance. Yeah. What the? What? I don't.
I'm just kidding.
Discord, I don't. No, Discord gave me a notification. I don't care. Why am I getting notifications now? No! What? Is that you? Do you have a soundboard?
No, dude, that's not me.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
What? The? I got you, bro.
Oh my god. You didn't buy a Go XLR, did you?
Maybe.
You did not buy a Go XLR.
I might have.
Jesus Christ.
Maybe I did, maybe I didn't.
Oh my god.
Who's to say, Paxton?
Do that. Do exactly that.
Okay, wait. You program it in. How do I?
Well,
Save.
not the same sounds. Whatever sounds
just
you
like
have.
any? Let me do some different ones, I guess.
This dude bought a Go XLR or a Go XLR equivalent.
No.
Jesus Christ.
Look, I have this one too. Where is it?
Oh my god, of course you do. Vine
And then
boom.
That's not the Vine boom.
No, Eric said add the Vine boom.
No, man. I have this one, dude. You're gonna love this one. You ready for it?
Mm-hmm. Jesus Christ. I hate it so much.
And then I get the. You remember that meme where it was like Ghost from Modern Warfare sitting in the truck and he would just stare at you? And that
No.
like kind of that like weird music would come on.
What? I've never heard that before in my life.
Dude, it's a hilarious meme. I can't believe you don't. The reactive thing isn't working and it's making me sad.
Oh, this carpet looks so weird ray traced. Your ears.
What the fuck?
Oh, that's weird. I don't know if I like that. I'm being very meticulous again. I can't. I need to remind
that's
myself
how
not to.
That's what you always do.
I know.
Get it together.
I can't not.
I swear to God, Eric, if it's you texting me, I'm gonna kiss you on the mouth.
Okay.
Ferociously.
That's about it. That's a bit excessive.
Very gently.
That's better. Yeah.
Yeah, I got you, dude.
How frequent are hotel rooms?
What does that even mean?
Like in a hallway. Like how far spaced apart are they?
Oh, they're usually 10 to 12 feet. I only know that.
I need that in meters.
Oh shit, 3 to 4 meters.
That sounds not correct, but okay.
Wait, is that not how feet and meters work?
I don't think so.
I think I'm like dead wrong. How many feet in a meter?
I think I just need to like.
That was kind of right.
How many hotel rooms in a hallway? That's a better way to ask it.
In California.
In
code requirements
in Portugal.
for hotel rooms.
In Portugal.
Exterior entrances, ballrooms, stairwell doors. NPFA 80 service rooms. What the shit?
On average, how many hotels?
There's usually 10 to 12 rooms per floor.
Okay. Approximately 90. Wait, what? Approximately 93.15 rooms per property.
Let me just go to a hotel real quick. I'll be right back.
I want to get 0.15 of a room. Okay. This one says as of December 31st, 2020, there were an average of 313 rooms per hotel.
Eric wants my Discord. You have to earn it. You don't get this shit for free.
So, oh my god. Okay, how many floors are normally in a hotel? How many floors in a hotel? What? 32 to 35 floors? That's not right.
Oh, just do like, God damn.
That cut out so much and I'm so happy.
You should be.
God, are there really normally 30 floors in a hotel? No. No. I'm not making a 30-floor hotel.
Just make it a motel.
No.
No, it has to be a hotel because it has to have an internal hallway.
Yeah. You know, wait. I don't want to spend more money on this project. The whole point was to do it with stuff I already have, but there's a motel pack.
How much money have you spent on this game?
This game? None yet. I mean, unless you want to count assets that I already have, which I'm using. Which, in that case, a lot, but nothing yet. I spent, like, close to 400.
Your lips on your stream
I know.
so
I'm
fucking
so
red.
My face is so red. Look at my hand. It's not that red right there, but it is on stream, and I don't know why.
You know what I think is
I'm either
so
green.
Funny?
What?
I forgot actually.
Okay, great.
Oh, that that there's such a delay.
There's not that much of a delay.
I mean, it's like a solid 8 to 10 seconds.
Well, that part's required. It used to be like a 30-second delay.
That's wicked, bro.
Yeah, but if I want to stream at 1080p 60 FPS, I've got to have a slight delay.
That makes sense.
So, okay, there are two options here. Okay, one of them is $70, one of them is $40. So, big difference. I could make this motel kinda.
Dude, I can't make this shit work. I'm gonna get like real racist.
No, you're not.
You're right,
That would be like racist.
You? No.
Jesus Christ. You're gonna get yourself banned eventually. Okay, so I could have a really nice looking motel. Or I could have this motel, which looks more like a motel because it's garbage. The thing is, I don't really want to spend all that much money on this project, but I could. That's not that great. I don't want to spend $80 on a motel package.
That's
Jesus
a lot of money, dude.
Christ. What is this? Huh. No. 5-story house is still... Yeah, it's possible. It's still possible, but I really want to do a hotel/motel. There's, like, this modular hotel. This is $20. But this does not look that good, in my opinion. Yeah, no. I really want to get this one, but it's also... The problem is it's not dirty. I mean, we can make it look dirtier. But it's a really nice looking asset.
I can make it look dirtier.
Okay, thanks for turning southern for that one. This is a really nice looking asset.
Nice looking ass.
Hey Jacob, you wanna Venmo me $80 real quick?
I would literally rather suck my own cock.
Okay. Well,
I can do it too. It's a life skill, don't you know?
I wish I didn't know that.
No, I don't know if I can. I should try though. That'd be cool.
Well, not on stream. That's number one rule.
No, dude.
I think
On
Minecraft
stream.
but triangle. Yeah, Jacob and I were talking about that. It's like, what games can I remake? Minecraft. It's been done 1 billion times.
What if you make Minecraft, but everything is slightly larger than it's supposed to be, except you?
It's like Big Small World, Mario 64.
Yeah, exactly. Can't believe you know the name of that. What the fuck?
I think,
I'm not
well,
the only
I
nerd
didn't know
for
if I was correct or not. I just remembered it was like Big Small World, Little Small World, something like that. Little Big World, whatever it is. I don't remember. But I think it's Big Small World.
Big mode.
Mega World.
Mega world.
Mega Mini World. $80 worth of oil. What is up with you and oil-covered pennies?
They taste good.
That sounds disgusting. I'll sit on that. But there's a possibility that we create a motel instead of a hotel, instead of a house. Lixian, you better react to, or you better play this game.
Yeah, Lixian, if you don't play this game, I will kiss you.
If you don't play this game, then that's okay. I understand you're a busy man.
But if you do, I'll still kiss you.
Oh my god. It's no matter what the outcome is, you are getting a kiss from Jacob. What?
I think I broke my microphone.
How? Why?
The like stand part of it. Oh shit.
Jacob, how does this look? I'm holding the mop.
Does...
I'm holding the mop handle, and it's weird.
Oh, wait, I need to pull up your stream again.
Because it's like, it's on...
Not the Squid Game soundtrack.
What?
It don't...
Okay, that's what my name autocorrects to.
What, are you holding the
yeah,
mop?
see how it's like, it's being displayed as a piece of UI instead of in the actual world in 3D space. That way it doesn't ever clip through
that's
anything.
Real weird.
But it looks weird. I wanted to do this because then it will never clip in the walls.
Put an idle animation, that way it doesn't look so static.
Well, yeah, no, so it's static for right now. What's going to happen is, like, when you click on something, it's going to mop it up, right? But when you move, it's like, like I said, like in Phasmophobia, when you lean forward, it's like the mop is just in the air.
Yeah.
Which is weird, and I don't like it. But...
It's Valorant time.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I just fell out of the world. Okay, that's
I'm
fine.
so addicted to this game, dude.
Of course you are. Everybody who plays it seems to be.
Why did Eric say I'll use syrup? What are you using syrup on? What are you trying to sweeten? Axton, look at this, bro. No more sand.
Why? What did you do wrong?
I am kind of freaked it out.
Okay, congratulations, buddy.
I mean, I might be able to fix it and manhandle it. I'll manhandle you, Pax, and keep talking shit, man.
Let's go to the supermarket real quick.
What?
The map, Jacob, the map.
Like we have such different conversations every time we talk. I'll manhandle you. Let's go to the supermarket real quick.
Yeah, you know how it is. All right, plop this character in here. Okay. Oh no, stream. Can you handle this?
Can the stream handle this?
I don't.
It looks okay.
Think it can for very long. Oh, I need to enable planar reflections. Hold on.
I think it's so funny that today all these companies are Pride now.
Yeah.
Like, I just got a message from Planet Fitness.
Of course.
Loud and proud for Pride. The judgment-free zone copyright at Planet Fitness is for all.
Of course.
What the-
Of course. June 1st at 12 a.m.
Everything turns gay. It's
Immediately.
all gay.
Oh, I should have made Pride merch.
Planet Pride merch.
Yeah, it's the Planet Vano logo, but a rainbow
It's
instead
just
of.
with like a rainbow gradient.
Yeah, that's it. That's what all these companies do, so, you know.
Bro, beef jerky makes my fucking balls hard.
I'm sorry. What?
Look at this shit. My beef jerky's fucking delicious. man.
Okay, please never state what you just stated ever again.
Oh, okay, I got you. Beef jerky makes my cock hard
okay.
because
Here's the solution to that. There we go. Okay. Oh. Your camera's gone.
Yep.
That's okay. I didn't want to see you anyway.
Hella rude.
Oh my god, this is... Oh, why does it need... Okay, well, so, guys, we're essentially done today because this is now compiling 6,300 shaders again.
Nah, bro, just make it restart.
That's what happened. I restarted, and now it's compiling 6,300 shaders.
Whoa, Dad.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys, my
You're gonna
dad's waiting for his marijuana.
Oh, well, now I'm definitely gonna get demonetized.
What?
It's-
No, man, he has the ADHD, so it's legal.
It's...
What's up, fuckers? There's so much crap on my mouse pad.
Well, that's not good. You should get rid of it. That should be in the toilet. It's kind of
Get in your
disgusting,
mouth.
actually.
Keep talking all that shit.
Do I spend $80 on this asset?
You're still contemplating
Of
spending
course I
$80?
am. Well, I spent like what, almost close to $400 on the Bean game. So
$400 on a bean game?
it's not like I haven't done it before. It's like the perfect asset for this too, is the problem. So my brain's like, do it. You should do it. But then my brain's also like,
It's
but
like- the
VR and
member
ad
berries.
campaign, you want to do
Yeah,
those
You
too.
definitely should invest in... Oh, did you want to... I'm gonna drop off that VR anytime soon.
Oh yeah, when do you want to do
Well, I figured you were gonna buy the cable first.
Oh yeah, I need to do that.
You just spent
still.
$80 on the cable.
Yeah,
instead
I
of a
know.
fucking asset.
But also, I can buy a whole motel for $80, Jacob. That's what a steal.
Okay, think about the return on both of these items, okay?
Yeah, the return is motel. That's,
No return.
no, I can't return the motel. It's in the lease. I'm required to keep it for at
It's
least
in the lease.
at least 4 years. And then I'll just rename it to Lixian's Motel or something like that. I am
Shit.
still I still think it's
Yeah,
so
man.
funny because I'm realizing now I actually exist in the YouTube space now. So like Lixian just hopped in the stream earlier because I have him tagged, and now he probably actually gets, like, these creators probably get notifications now about those things. So he just hopped
Yeah.
in, was like, this is cool. So
That's all he said. He said this is
no,
cool.
no.
And
He
then
actually
left.
he hung out for a while, and we were just talking back and forth about like, because I'm remaking his game, so we were just talking about like what he did.
Oh, Courage.
What?
Do you remember Courage the Cowardly Dog?
Yeah.
You remember the way that the grandma looked?
Oh God, yeah.
Yeah, dude, my dad was like, "What's the fucking cartoon where the grandma's hair is all fucked up?" Okay.
I don't know what they're talking about.
Oh fuck. Yeah. Oh, I'm crazy.
While I'm waiting for this to open here, let's watch this trailer together. This is the asset that I'm considering buying.
What's the asset you're considering buying? Let me see.
I'll start it over. Okay.
This is a supermarket?
No, this is the motel. It's beautiful. I think it's perfect for what I'm trying to do.
This is a supermarket?
No, this is not a supermarket, Jacob. This is
Actually, I don't know how to tell you this. There's a really big sign on top of it that says supermarket.
This is what part? I think you're way behind on the stream.
Oh yeah, I am.
Good
5
God.
minutes behind. I was like,
Jesus Christ. Yeah. No, this is a
I mean, to be
beautiful
bearer of
asset.
Bad news. Why am I still seeking? Oh, that shit's gorgeous. I cannot move in my video game. Okay, we're back.
This is perfect for this game, but man, another $80. Jesus Christ. I should get it. Yeah, I want to get it. I'm tempted. Lixian already approved. Like we were talking, I was like, "Can I just like extract the monster from your game?" He was like, "Yeah, go ahead."
Nice.
So that's yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, this is made by the same guys who made the convenience store asset. So that's cool.
Who is Blue? Is that Lixian? That's not Lixian.
No, blue is Adrian.
I was like, I can't see Lixian's chats in here. Are they just for you?
No, it's up a ways. It was a while ago.
Okay. I think it just doesn't load that far in.
It does for me.
I did. Monitor from Best Buy.
I think this is set to chat replay, so you can see it later once the stream goes up. But yeah. All right. Well, since this is gonna take 4 hours to load, I think I'm just gonna end the stream a few minutes early. Sorry it had to end like that, but that was fun. I'm gonna end the call with you, Jacob. I'll call you back here in a minute. Okay. Jacob. Okay, it's fine. I'll call him back in a minute. All right, so I will catch you guys tomorrow from 11 to 3, as long as everything goes planned. If not, I will let you guys know in the community tab. Make sure you're checking up with that. Make many more things with that. So I've said that so many times. I will make so many more things with these assets that I buy. I have spent a couple $1,000 at least on assets for Unreal, and I have used maybe 5% of them once and maybe 1% of them more than once. So it's very easy to say that, but you know. Anyway, so thank you guys for hanging out. Huge thank you to Lixian for popping in and giving me some encouragement. That was really cool to see. And I will revisit this probably next Tuesday. We'll do a gaming stream tomorrow, and then I will I'll do some work on my own over the weekend and Monday, and then Tuesday we'll come back and hopefully actually have something to work with that's a little bit more in depth than this. So thank you guys so much for hanging out and watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Sorry I'm ending a little early, but 5,000 shaders remain. Yeah, we're not going to be able to do anything else today, but thank you guys, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.